also same kind of your experience. Like I have total 10 years of experience. In that 10 years, I have spent 8 years in manufacturing industry, like aerospace and aircraft manufacturing industry, Godrej Aerospace and Titan Aviation. Uh, there I was working as a quality engineer, and I was working on barn system. Okay. So just 2 years before, I decided to switch my career in manufacturing into SAP. So I just completed my certification in MM module, materials management, and I got a job in one of SAP providing company. And here I'm working as a MMWM consultant. So I have total 2 years of experience as a core experience, and rest of 6 years of experience as a domain experience. So in that 2 years, I have completed four rollouts, plant rollouts, two plants rollout, two company code rollouts, and one implementation. Greenfield implementation means it's a fresh implementation for one of our customer, Centacom. We have did 1909 implementation on MM side. I was involved in that team. So today we are going to discuss. I hope Akshay
Yes.
is it fine? Na?
Yeah, it's fine.
That instruction is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So fine. So as Akshay told me that you are going to looking for FS documentation, functional specification. So we will discuss today on table, how many tables are there, then BAPI, BDC, and functional specification. On these four topics, we are going to discuss. Before that, I'm going to share my screen, so it will be easy to.
I will make you host. 1 second.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so, okay. Is it visible now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So as you see in my screen, we are going to discuss on tables. Like first, we are going to discuss on tables because before going to move on functional specification, you have to know about how many tables related to your module or sub modules and their field names. Okay. So I'm going to open this my existing server screen. So here it is. You know now how transaction codes T code means what, guys?
Yes, they know.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a transaction T code SA16N, and in that SA16 we can check. Just hold. In that SA16N we can like check EKPO. Like I am a MM consultant, so I'm using this purchasing site tables. So EKPO table, this is table name, okay, and these are the technical field names. This is field name, field description name. So for building a FS document, you don't have to memorize table names and their field names. You just Google it, or you can use your whatever server you are using, and just execute this T code and run this table, and you will get all the field names. Okay, so this is the table. For example, you can take a table EKPO, and it is a header table, right? No, it is a item table. EKPO means header table. Okay,
Yes.
header table. See, okay, and EKPO means item table. So in that table, you will get purchasing document number, item description, like item number, then who created this material, its short text, company code, plant, etc., etc. These kind of information you will get in this table. So there are so many tables from FI module, MM module, PP module, SD module. Basically, from MM side, we are going to use all MM tables. Then FI related tables we are frequently use, SD side table and PP side table frequently we are going to use. Sometimes customer give some customized requirement, and if it is
Sorry
not,
to interrupt, Ganesh.
yeah.
No, one more girl is joining. Can you admit? So you are the host now. So waiting room,
Okay, okay,
Disha.
okay, just hold.
You can just click admit.
Fine, fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So now it is okay. She joined.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Can continue.
Yeah, fine. Uh, Fine. So I can start, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can continue.
Yeah, fine. So we are discussing on tables. So tables basically as a consultant from end user side, all end users are using T codes. Like these are the end user T codes. MM01, then EKPO, ME21N. These are the T codes. Okay, ME21N. These are the T codes. Basically, we are using this T code to create, change, and display. You guys all know na, these T codes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So if there is any customization requirement suggested by client, or if you facing any like any kind of error, like end users call you that we are facing a dump, or we are you facing some kind of like these kind of errors, or we need to close, or we need to create mass create some POs, we need to create, or we need to do mass quantity of GR. So that time, this as per their requirement, we are going to use these tables. By using this table, we are going to create. So we are going to build logic, and as per their logic, ABAPer get created one program. Okay, as per FS document. So FS documents part get started from table level. These are the tables. I'm going to just see all these Excel sheets I will going to share with all of you. So you just follow, or you just refer these Excel file in your future reference. And as well as I have so many documents, like these are the sample documents for your reference. You can use for your future reference. For example, MM tables, I'm going to create this. See, uh, you know what are the like master data, material master data. There are SAP. We are using material master data, customer master data, vendor master data, and one more thing is purchasing info record data. Right, guys? Please respond me. Yeah? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So see, uh, as a standard method, we are we are using, these are the master data from purchasing side. Okay, these are the MARC, MLAN, MARM, MAKT, MBEW. Okay. So these are the standard tables we are frequently used, and with these tables, these are some fields. These are field names: plant, material number, language. These are some field names we are going to frequently use every time whenever we're going to create FS. Okay. For an example, see, if you want to create, like this is for a master data table. If we going to create a purchasing requisition, okay, and we don't know what end users did in their like in past, how we going to create this purchase requisition. So there is one table, EBEN. Okay, in that EBEN we're going to create, for an example, I will show you here.
Even EBN.
EBEN. So
Yeah.
so here we're going to just if you know what is their purchase requisition number, then you're going to just put here. And if you don't know, then you can do just remove this maximum hit numbers, and you can execute the existing that button, and you will get all the purchase requisition related data. Okay. So there are total 36,737 sheets we have checked, and in that, see, I can check all the purchase requisition related data from table level, and these data I can show, like I can check from 2018. So here I'm going to just filter this. I just want to check recent data. So I'm going to filter it. This is recent data, 2nd November. So I just going to click on this, or if I want to check all these details, here we can check all these details. But if you want to check details through vertically, you can check it here, one by one. So client name is 4,400, purchase requisition number already we get, then item description 10, document type, what document type they are going to use, purchasing document category, what are the categories they are going to use, created by whom, then at what time they have changed, and what date they have created this PR. These all these kind of details we can check from table level. Okay, so as a consultant, functional consultant, we no need to memorize all these tables, but surely we have to like know the basic tables like purchase requisition side, or material management side, inventory management side tables. I have all these table lists. I will share with all of you. So no need to buy heart everything. So these are the table, as well as I have share some T codes as well. Okay, these are some reports, T codes, and table level data. You can check from your side once this session get closed. So you will also get knowledge what are these tables and what are their use. Okay, so uh, here you can check all this data from consultant side. Like no, you don't have time to check every time go into transaction and do what he did. Like sometimes we get I will show in the FS related when we going to coming into FS partner. I will show you. Sometimes one of our existing client user, he tell me that he want to close thousand number of purchase requisition. Okay, and he just tell me that he I don't have this data, but I can tell you from 2016 to till date data I want to like I want to close mass close. I want these kind of all these purchase requisition. So we have built one logic, and I will show you what logic I have built. And by using this table, we have created FS document, and we have tested once that T code they have ABAPer created one program with reference to this FS, and once that program will get created, we have to test it, and we will cross check it whether it is going to correct or not. So for that purpose, we can use these kind of tables. Okay, so this is from purchasing. Like whenever you're going to use purchase requisition, you can use these tables. See, these are the main tables, huh? These are main tables, and in that table what you have to check is these are the field names. Okay, these are the field names. Purchasing, like purchase order, whenever you're going to create a purchase order, see, we have just checked ekpo and ekko is a main table from purchasing side. Okay, and EKET is also for a delivery schedule. Okay, these are some main tables, and their field names in that like file. You can refer it whenever you require, and you will get your like details from by using these tables. Okay, parallelly, these are some tables for your reference if you want to like vendor master data, number range intervals. There are internal number range and external number range we are using. So if you're going to insert in here, like if I'm going to put see, have you checked that? See, here purchase requisition number is some two purchasing requisition numbers. Just wait up. I will show you. Okay, okay. 210000. Okay, these are purchasing requisition number, and see 9074. These are the number range type. Sometimes end user using external number range, sometimes we are using internal number range. I hope Akshay has covered these number range type topic.
Yeah, yes, no, it is
Earlier.
covered in technical.
Okay, fine. So we can check in table level also whether it is internal number range or external number range. Every kind of like information you will get from table. Just I am going to give you one example. Recently we have created one like we have just did one TCS implementation. You might be heard tax collection at source. Okay, that small TCS implementation we have did for one of our customer. So in that, see MM03. I'm going to use MM02. I will show you. I have to build one logic for to maintain. Okay, I have to just give me a second. Mm, just give me a second. I will give you one example. MLAN table is for tax classification of material. I will show you what is tax classification, and MBK for sales organization and their distribution channel. See, there is no link up of MBK table and MLAN table. Okay, there is no link up. See, you can check it here. There is only material and country, and after that, tax classification fields. There are total, we can use 9 tax classification in field. Okay, total 9 numbers of tax classification SAP allowed to use in system. But there is no any reference like for if I want to use if I want to combine these table information, like I want to combine MBK table information with MLAN. So I don't have any direct, direct, like see, there is no any other fields, like only material field is same in both table. Okay. So we are like, just give me a second. I will give you one example. See, this is one example I'm going to take. I'm just going to show you cell sort. Okay, so my task is to update tax classification field for a TCS. So see JTC1. Oh, great. We have one example, so I can show you. See, JTC1 field, we have implemented this, like we have configured this TCS related field into system. From material master side, we have just maintain it. Now, there are 100,000 numbers of material, and end user don't have time to update it manually, like he can put it here 0 or he can put it 1. Like, see, we have created 0 for TCS applicable, 0 TCS, sorry, 0 for TCS not applicable, 1 for TCS applicable. Okay, so we end user don't have time to update every time. He is going to that material and just put it 1 every time, 1 and save it. So for that we are using one like we have created one BAPI. Okay, and through this BAPI we have implemented one like one customized program. Now here there is 4 fields: CGST, SGST, IGST, and UGST. You might be like you will get confused, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I'm going to put is equal to sign, and I'm just putting blank. Okay. So whatever blank, TCS 5 means blank. These are the fields which have which is not like maintained by TCS classification. Okay. So for that TCS classification, we have to maintain all these data. See, COPC, you can check in material master as well.
COPC is a middle number, right?
it is a material number, right? Right. See, uh, whatever you want, now you can check through table also. Like it is a standard practice to check through table. You no need to go every time in transaction and to check whether it is that field is maintained or not. You can check through it, table as well. See, for that material, they are not maintaining TCS. Okay.
Yes.
So we have to maintain it. Now, customer is asking for to maintain all these fields for all the remaining materials. There are now 11,302 materials for which we have to maintain TCS tax classification means this field. Now, how are you going to identify this fifth field is blank? the There are options. See, JOIG, JOSG, JOCG, JOUG, and JTC1. Here they have maintained 1111 and blank means CGST they have maintained IGST, SGST, UGST. You know now what is IGST, CGST, SGST,
Yes.
and UGST? This is Union Territory GST, Central GST, State GST, and Integrated GST. Okay. So for that TCS means this is fifth number of field. See, here fifth number of field is blank. One, two, three, four. Fifth number of field is blank. So for that fifth number of field, we have to fill all these one number. You have to maintain, or we have to maintain one number. Okay. So we are going to like I will show you how we going to use BDC, how we going to use PAPI, and how we going to build this efforts for to build like to maintain these document um, like this field. Okay, so these are the tables. I'm not like investing too much time on table because it is not like that kind of important part in like in training session. It is very useful. You will if you start working on like as a consultant on this system, you will get know. Okay, so these are some tables for we are using for to like to collect information, or whenever you want to like do some customization or you want to build some program, so that time you have to use with reference to table and their field name. Okay, so if you have any question and queries, then please ask me. If you don't know what is going on, then please ask me.
Ganesh, one quick question. Like
Yeah, sure.
the earlier document you showed with the joins between the tables.
Yeah.
So
I will show you. I am not completing this part, so I will show you how we're going
okay,
to join this table. So there is, but
okay,
is there any queries related to this transaction like SS16N? SS16N mainly we are using for SS16, SS16N. Like see, I will show you here. SS16. There are some differences. Okay, you will check. Now then, S data. Sorry to interrupt. Just I don't know who is it, but sorry to interrupt.
and this mother, no problem.
Okay. Yeah, Madhu, sorry to interrupt, but just I will show you. See, now you can check here. We have using three T codes. One is SE16N, okay. Second one is SE16, and next one is SE11. Okay, these are the like SAP dictionary table. This is also dictionary directory, not a dictionary. Sorry, this is also directory, and these are these are these are all the ABAP related T codes we are using SE16, SE16N, SE11. Okay, so whenever go ABAP are using SE11 every time to build like program or by using this T code. Like for an example, if you don't know what is a uh, if you don't know what is the transaction or what is the field name, so if you want to get this information, na, you just I'm going to just maintain it. Just give me a second. See, I as a end user, I know my transaction T code, like T code name, and but I don't know what is the table name or what is table we are using for this transaction. So if you want to get this table name or a field name, na, you will go into the system. Here you can check status. Okay, status, and every transaction module wise, they see, you can check every detail for related to your transaction, na? You can check it here. Transaction mm02, program SAP LM GMM, these are your detail. Product version, what is your product version, installation number, license expiry, everything. In that transaction, if you get double click, na, you will get package mg. Mg is your package for a mm side. Okay, VG from cell side. So you just have to just click it, package, you just do it here, and you will get all the tables. Okay, see, have you checked? We have just checked mlan and mbk. See, mlan table, text classification for manual. Okay, so by using SE11, you can collect mostly ABAP are using this table. So if you don't know, or if you like if you if you are facing difficult to memorize all these tables, na, just go into the transaction, press on the environment, or here, press on environment, you will get status. Okay, not in here, you will get status in system. Just have to click on this and you will know what is your package. Basically it is a HA16, na? That's why there is no any package. You see, you can check it here. It is a direct from other side, it's package from other. So this is going to use by SC11, you are going to use, and you just execute this. For an example, I'm going to use mlan and I'm going to display it. Okay, so all the fields related data, these are the mandatory fields. Okay, material number, client, and country, these are the mandatory fields. They are using length of every detail, like what is data type, length of this character, like uh, three only 3 digits he can allow in this field. 40 characters, like material 40 numbers we can use in matter field. Three numbers of length we are using in country field. So here we can check through also, and SS16 and SS16 N also. If you will execute this button, na, so you will get everything. Like for an example, look, see, same detail I get from SE11. Okay, this is the thing we are going to use, generate master data, countries. These are the tables. Okay, these are the fields. These are the tables. TMKM, T005, T000 client, Mara. These are the basic tables. You can check here which table they are using. Background. Basically, we are not using from functional consultant side. We are directly using SS16 and SS16N, mostly SS16N. But if you want to do, or if you want to learn from ABAP side, you can use this T code SE11 and you can build a logic as per your requirement. So this is the table related information I have shared with you. Now one more thing, like I have just told you that sometimes we are going to like customer is required for like you just provide me data from sales organization, right? Like I don't know how many. See, once I will show you how many entries you have find here. Just check. I'm going to just close this flash and this is 16. See, 47,000 MB in MBK table. I get 47,701 entries. Okay, for each and every material. But in MLAN table, MLAN table, I have get only uh, See, I have only get 13,000. Why it is? Can
Sales
you?
data is not maintained in rest of the materials.
Right, right. But that is the correct answer. But see, I told you. Tell you. See, for one material, single material, they have created this material with different sales organization, right? See,
Okay.
COCB 0001 with 2000, 2000 and 1000 with distribution channel 40, 40, 50.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason that data get multiplied by n number. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But actually, the exact tax classification maintained data is 13,709. Okay. Now I don't know how, like customer don't know कि भाई कैसे मुझे ये इसको like how I am going to collect sales organization wise data. So there is one T code. Okay. Uh, SQVI. SQVI. See, this is a table. Okay. SQVI. Basically, we are using this table to merge two data, two table, like, or we are going to compare two tables, three tables, four tables, whatever you require. Like if you want to cross check, na, you can use with reference to SQVI table, SQVI transaction. So, like just test, I'm going to maintain it and execute it. Sorry, create table name mvke mlan. Okay, here I'm going to use data sources logical database. Okay, and just sorry, table join. Sorry, sorry. Table join. Okay, see, mvk. mvk see, and one more table is mlan. See, now we are going to merge this data. Okay, just click on back. See, sales data, MVK table and mlan table get merged, and in that table I'm going to select material number, cell sort and distribution channel only. Okay, selected this way. Now I'm going to use this mlan table, and in that mlan I want material number, then tax classification country, and I know there are five tax classification they have maintained. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Just execute it. See, now system going to see. If I don't know now how many materials are linked with maximum it. Okay, 100. Fine. So see, sales org wise, distribution channel wise, I get data. Okay, got it? What I did it, guys?
Ganesh, can you repeat and just tell that step once again? After merging the data, you came to the screen, right?
I will show you again. See, what I'm going to do is, see, I'm just combining these two tables. Okay, After that combining, I'm going to execute it. Okay. And now I don't know how many data is how many cells organization and how many materials are get with maintained by tax classification. I want everything related to tax classification with reference to material. So I'm going to execute it just without any hit, like providing any data. So system will give us result. 1,000 numbers of entry I will get. See, with every material 1000 C, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 1000 cells organization 10. You're just going to just create spreadsheet and I will show. You can cross check it. Now these data you can provide to your customer कि भाई ये लो आपका ये जो requirement है यहाँ पे fulfill and then MPK test. See, by using Excel you can like filter it. See, now I just want to check only 33. See, here I can like India only. 10,000. Why it is coming now? Actually, the reason is we are only getting 1,000 entries now. There are total 37,000 entries. So by using, see, I'm just giving you an example. By using this T code, you can combine and you can merge the two tables and you can cross check the information. So here I can get with reference to material like 167 material with 1,000 cells organization, 10 distribution channel, and their tax classification. Like they have maintained tax classification for CGST, AGST, UGST, and IGST. Okay, so this data I can get from this SQVI table. Okay, so this is related to your table. I have this document. You can just refer my document.
Ganesh, one more doubt here. Once we filter by using these merging these tables, so can we able to maintain the data right from table level?
Means
like can we say the tax classification is empty, right? We just
right,
is not
right,
maintained.
right. No, from these by using this decode na, you will get merge two tables, whatever you want. Like you want to merge Mara with MLAN or EKPO with Mara. So you just get information with reference to that material only. Like sometimes you don't have time to like go into MBK table and MLAN table. Here we are opening two tables in two screens.
Yes,
so you don't have time ना कि every time going to अरे okay C0 CB1 यहाँ पे कहाँ है okay C0 फिर उसका ये क्या है तो ये see I don't have time to like cross check with every time ना so for that we are using these SQVI transaction to merge or combine this table and existing information I can get through this T code. Okay, by using executing you can save this or you can use it every time. Like see now I'm going to save now and just save this T code that see test. So if I want to use now I can use it every time now in future. So as per your requirement you can maintain it and you can use it whenever you required. Okay, so this is only for existing record to merge or to check cross check whenever you want now. For that only you are going to use this SQVIT code. Okay, So this is table related information.
Just guys, Ganesh, I just want to add here.
Yeah.
To do this, combining joining of tables, right? Acidic queries. This we have a separate topic. There I will cover in detail. I will explain. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Ganesh has
basically,
shown, right?
it is. Basically, this is not means it is a separate topic. SQBI is a separate topic. Why I show you? Because I just want to cover this FS partner. So that time you just want to know now how I'm going to merge and how I'm going to collect this information. For that purpose only, I have shown you SQBI table. So this is related to table.
Ganesh, one more thing. This is done in production server, right?
No, it is a quality server. See, it's a quality server. You can use it on production server as well. See, this is my quality server. Right? You can use it on development, quality, every time on production as well. See, there is a authorization for some authorization part is also from a website. SAP is not providing every data access to all users. As a consultant, we have authorized to access all data, but from end user side, we can use authorization or validation, like some only material related transaction can use from purchasing side. Sell side, they can only use sales related T codes. So this is the authorization part we have covered in like we have maintained in production server. So if you give access for XQVI, so end user is also you can use this SQVI table. But mainly, no one is using SQVI table because it is related to only consultant. Like consultants are using this table transaction. It is not used for a general purpose. Like there is no any other use for transaction related data you can get or like etc.
Yeah. Ganesh, the Poman got disconnected. So can you check if he is joining? He has just.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So any doubt or any queries you have, I can see there is no need to memorize all the tables. Tables means you can get every information, everything you can, whatever you have maintained in system now, or whatever earlier maintained system information data you can collect through this table. These are the tables. You don't need to memorize or summarize. कि भाई कैसे अभी याद रखूं मैं EKPO. While you are going to use na in your daily routine, you can memorize you know what are the T codes for GRN, what are T codes for invoicing, what are T codes. One more thing, if you don't know what is a table name or what is a field name, na, so there is one more field. I will show you. /mm03. I don't know what is the. Now I don't know what is a field name for material, okay, and what is a table for a material. So you just have to click F1 and you will check this sign. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Yeah, just click on it and you will get field name. Okay, Matner. Okay, by using this you can use field name or you can collect field name. Now if I don't know what is a field for a unit measurement, just have to click F1 and just click on it and you will get MEGRU. Table is MVK. Okay, by using this you can collect it. What are the tables are using in material master, purchasing info record, PIR, source list, vendor master. Okay, so any doubt or any queries, because I am investing too much time on table, guys.
Yeah, Ganesh.
Yeah, just tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, you have shown that to merging joining the table. So as an end user, if if we get the T code authorization, so shall we check that report? I mean, like
yes, you can. But you for that you have to know the table name and fields. Okay. If you know what are the tables and field name, then you can use it.
Yeah, and so one more. So you just joined the table and you just came back. So there is there is not any option of a transaction like any document number like.
Right. See, you just have to build one background logic like MVKE and MLAN table. You just have to merge system internally, like in background, the system going to merge this table and show you the data like see, SQL, whatever I have selected now, distribution channel, sales org, material number and tax classification, system have collected all these data and show you these radio buttons, like not a radio button, show you these fields. You just have to execute it and you will get everything. Okay, whatever related to your information. Okay, whatever you require.
Yeah. How to fill this fifth column, like this fifth tax classification?
See, I don't know whether it is filled by user or not now. So that's why I am going to select it. See, if I want to select now, I'm going to use these. See, there are fields. Tax classification 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means I know what is the tax classification 5. 5 means TCS. If I want to add 6, I can use it 6. I just have to just click it on 6 and just execute it.
Yeah, this is okay, Ganesh, but I want to, so there are n numbers, there are hundred thousands of materials are there. So with the data, I have data. So how to ensure that, how to fill the data in a like a program? So how did you this manage? I will upload the Excel data and once I will click, so the data should be mapped.
Once you get upload this data into system now, you just go on to the table level. Okay. Just go on to table and just use this like if I want to cross check, I will show you once I'm going to complete this FS partner. I will show you. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is blank. I'm going to select it blank. If I want, once I'm going to build this program to upload this, see it here I am checking it. Now it is blank. But if I want to like once I'm going to like make a one program to build its value, and once I uploaded all this data into system and I'm going to check whether it is okay or not. Now I have to execute this with reference to this text classification field, and you will get information like once whether it is मतलब यहाँ पे अगर हुआ रहेगा तो यहाँ पे blank अपडेट हो जाएगा, अगर नहीं होगा तो blank दिखेगा. So you can get confirmation through using this table execution.
Okay, so after this joining these two tables, you are going to make one more program and then you are going to prepare one T code, right?
Right. For an example, I will show you. For an example, see, I am going to make one Z T code mm02 underscore TCS. Okay, I'm going to give you one example. Just give me a second. Akshay, I'm going to cover everything. Like now, I'm going to show that FS part. So I will cover everything.
Shivkumar, anyway, so this SAP queries I will take separate class. Okay, in that you will get in detail understanding.
For an example, anyways, just I will show him. See, now one template I have prepared to maintain this field. Okay, this is ZT code. Okay. To maintain this MM02. Now, for an example, I want to update these field. I'm just
okay. No. Ganesh, I got that. I got that point. So this is the final result.
Right.
This T code. And once you are based on the template, once you do the data, so it will be uploaded and the data will be resulted. Okay, it will show. So I want to make that. So how to create a data? I mean, how to make a T code with the help of program as well as so.
Okay, you want to know how to make a T code for
yeah.
Okay, it is not a part like it is not a part of functional consultant side, but I will tell you.
But we can do that in SE30.
Okay. Then you
SE93
you
or
go
SE...
to the FS. Okay. Then you go to the FS.
So you want to know how we're going to create a T code, na? See, here you're going to create a T code by using like if I want to what is your name?
Shivkumar.
Yeah, Shivkumar.
If I want to
here, na Shivkumar, we will enter our whichever T.
Whatever Shivkumar. Okay.
Yeah.
Kumar. And I'm
just
once I'm going to click na, T code will get create. Okay.
So, and whatever we have joined the table na, that will take we'll put it here. Then automatically T code will come. That I will show you.
Okay.
So
you start the FS.
By using SE93, you can create a table. So the next part is any doubt or queries on table part, guys? These are the table list from material, then vendor, then purchasing side. You just use this table and you can cross check it. Okay. You have that server access now. Akshay has provided you server access, so you just use this table to like practice it. By कैसे use होता है इनका? Okay, guys. Hello.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So I hope you don't have any doubt or guys.
Yeah. Once you explain FS document, then
Okay, fine. So I will move on
to go into tables, right?
Okay, so I will move on to next part, which is BAPI and BDC. From functional point of view, you no need to create you no need to make any program, or you no need to do anything for a BDC and BAPI. You just have to make a recording. Like ABAPR will ask you, ki bhai, what are your requirements? Just give me a data. So for the data, you will provide him FS document as well as recording. So for a BDC and BAPI, not for BAPI, for BAPI we can use SM37, SE37 transaction. I will show you. For a BDC mainly we are using for a mass transaction. Like if you want to upload 1,000 number of material numbers, or if you want to extend 1,000 number of materials with some field, so for that you can use BDC. There is no any differentiate. You can differentiate this BAPI and BDC. Normally now in HANA system we are not using BDC. Now we are using BAPI. Okay, for SAP has provided all these like standard BAPI with internal program. Once what as per like recent requirement, like to upload mainly what clients required to upload data, to maintain data, to create data, master data, then to close PO, then close change PO, change PR, close PO. These SAP has provided internal some program. You just have to ABAPR will going to check is if it is there or not. Once it is there, he is asking for some like test cases. You just have to provide some test cases, and with reference to these test cases, he is using these what he can build one program, and he can create one T code, and you can use this T code to like maintain all this data. But for a BDC, we are using BDC is a very simple process. I can show you here. See, SHDB /n SHDB. Okay. SHDB is a recording screen. transaction for recorder. Okay, here I am going to like record mm02 TCS condition, that text condition I want to record. Okay, then I'm just going to put it mm02 and I'm just putting this. See, now system is going to record everything, and I'm just putting information and see, that's it. Now I'm going to save, finish. My job is finished. Okay, they are not now. Finish. See, these are the fields mm02. These are the fields I'm using. Okay, 1000 I am putting sales organization VKORG, VTWEG means distribution channel. Okay, these are the fields in background I have maintained. So I have just to save. Now you can check it here. MM02 recording is saved. See, recording MM02 is saved. Okay, now just click on to test data and VKORG already stored in VKORG. See, you can use it from here. Like I'm going to save TC. Basically, this is not in our scope. If I want to use for a next material, system will show you. See, every time system will ask you enter. Okay, then enter. Okay, you can cross check it, then enter. System will automatically collect this information or maintain this information. I have already, oh shit, no, this is not actually. Okay, kg. See, recording has been done. Default size X. Here you can change. Material has been changed. Message will pop up. This is M3801 message number successfully. S means successfully. W means warning. E means error. Fill out all required fields. While using this, system will pop up message to maintain this unit measure. For that, system will pop up error message. So this is material successful. Now we have created material successfully through BDC. Okay, this is the process for BDC. Okay, it is very simple. From functional consultant side, you just have to record the screen by using SHDBT code. I have already see. I have given you example as well. I will share all these documents with you. So by using this T code SSDB, you can use it. But normally on ECC system we are using, but in HANA system we are using BAPI also. Okay, only BAPI because it is already filled in system. So because of it, and it is also like faster than BDC. Or a BDC it takes some time. Like it is running in every transaction. Like have you seen that material, then sales organization, then distribution channel, then system will ask for that tax classification, and then this message will get pop up. Yeah, okay, जो material है वो update हो गया. But in BAPI, this is not get happen. It is directly like it is faster than BDC. It is already running in background and will get updated through BAPI. It is more faster than BDC. Okay, so is there any doubt? Because there is no any like it is a technical side of BDC, and BAPI is a technical side of part, but we have to just use to update, or we just know how to record the screen for a BAPI or BDC. Okay, so whenever you want to change or extend, or if you want to create now, you can use BDC as well as BAPI also. Okay, so is there any question for a BDC?
So
Yeah, Ganesh.
BDC, I'm sorry.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
So is BDC is only for recording to send it to the ABAP. That's it, right?
Right. From functional consultant point of view, you just have to record the screen and you just mail this number like in SHDB na. This even ABAP also will get no key by okay MM02 is a recording. Once he get process na, and he will get no कि भाई कैसे करना है क्या करना है, he will actually उसको कुछ काम ही नहीं रहता है, you just have to BDC मतलब बहुत ही easy है, आपने already काम कर दिया उसका, you just have to run this program through SM35 and he will just create one T code as per your requirement and he will tell you कि भाई okay आप check करो. So there is no any as such working in BDC. Like BDC is only to upload mass transaction. Basically, SAP has provided mass transaction through SM70. See, so we are not using this BDC now. We can use it MARA, MAKT, MARC, mass maintenance. You might be know mass maintenance. What is mass maintenance? We are using basically in rollout projects. Okay, so this is also BDC. In background there is BDC to upload general master data, material description. If you get double click now. Okay, I just have to save this test. Test object was not okay. Anyways, this is not a part of the session, but in HANA system, this is HANA system. Okay, this is HANA system. So we are not using S4. This is HANA system.
Okay.
1809. For HANA system, we are not using BDC. We are using only BAPI and existing mass maintenance program. By using these, you can upload and like 10,000 number of entries in within 10 minutes and 5 minutes. So you don't need to like maintain or record everything for that purpose. Like if client asking you for we have to update 10,000 number of entries with this requirement. So you don't need to like create a recording for a BDC or a BAPI. You just go and check on table level whether it is available or not, or these field names are linked up with your required with your requirement. And by using this mass transaction MM17, you can use it. You can just execute it. It is as simple as like it is as similar as BDC. So it is this is the changes happening in HANA system. Okay, so is there any question or doubt in BDC? There is no any point, or there is no any part apart from recording from functional point of view. So you just have to record your requirement and give it to ABAPer. ABAPer will make everything. Like he can provide you one T code as per your requirement, and you can use this T code by executing template. You will get your result. Okay.
So Ganesh, one quick question. Like,
yeah,
usually how frequently do we use BDC, or like because BDC, BAPI, and MM7,
MM70 mass maintenance. Mass maintenance we are not using frequently, but mostly now even BDC also we are not using. For ECC client we are using BDC, but for a HANA client we are using BAPI. See, most of the time client provide you any kind of like requirement, like he want to update some z table, or he want some, like for a TCS we have created 4 5 BAPIs. Whenever you're going to implement now some anything, so that time just like client asking you for some additional changes, only that time you required to create BDC or BAPI. Okay, so it is not a regular practice work, or it is not required in your regular work. Sometimes whenever if client is required some additional requirement, like he want to update, or he want to close some data, existing data. For that he is using or he required this BDC or BAPI. We are going to suggest basically which like BAPI is useful or BDC is useful. We are going to suggest to developer, because it is up to you how data you want now, like customer what he want now. As per their requirement you can provide this information to developer, because the developer is not facing client. Functional consultants are prime members who are facing client. They can collect every information from client, and they provide this information to developer, and as per your requirement, as per your information, developer has provided like developer has created these like fulfill your requirement. So you are you can take a decision कि भाई मुझे BDC चाहिए कि बापी चाहिए. Then developer will suggest you कि भाई इसके लिए बापी है, तो do you want to use BDC, or what you want to use, BAPI or BDC. It is up to you. Okay, but your work is to just give test cases for a testing purpose, and just give recording. That's it.
So for in case of S4 HANA, which one is the best? Like which one is a suggestible approach?
BAPI. BAPI. The reason is in ECC system na there is also standard BAPIs, but no one is using BAPI that time. But now there is a T code. What is the T code? Just forget it. Just give me a second. See, here you can get module wise BAPIs, the existing BAPIs in system. See, now we are going to talking about material management. So these are existing BAPIs, purchase. Okay. Purchase order related. So these are the change, create, get detail, get item. These are the existing BAPIs. Okay. So you don't need to once you get click on this now, system like program will get run. So you just have to. This is not actually your part to execute this T code. BAPI is for a developer. So see.
We'll check the cases in BAPI.
And actually I'm on client server, so I'm not going to execute this.
So guys, related to BAPI, we have a separate class.
But Akshay, I just want to add one thing. For interview point of view, okay, for interview point of view, you can tell in interview that key by using BAPI transaction, we can check and we can select BAPI for that requirement. Okay, no need to tell you that to customer or interviewer कि भाई हम लोग गूगल करते हैं. एक्चुअली सब लोग गूगल ही करते हैं, बट कोई बापी यूज ही नहीं करता, ये ट्रांजेक्शन कोई यूज ही नहीं करता. एवरीवन इज यूजिंग बापी लाइक गूगल और एस यूजर. You know now what is S user ID? SAP Help Portal Launchpad.
No, they don't.
SAP Launchpad means there you can get any kind of nodes. I will show you. This is a Launchpad, SAP Help Portal. Here you can raise an incident. We will conduct, or Akshay will conduct separate session for this part. It is a very important field. Like now it is a client S user ID. By using this S user ID, you can like SAP can execute, or SAP can check what they are using, and how they can how they are going to perform in their system. And if whenever you can whenever you're going to get stuck now, you can raise incident through BAPI, sorry, through this S user ID. And there is one field, knowledge base. By using this knowledge base, you can just put it whatever you want to know, and you will get that information. Okay, so mostly ABAPers or consultant using S user IDs, and they can collect information, or they can get update through this S user ID. Like if I want to know, is there any recent BAPI has been added in system? So I will ask to SAP, by is there any update? Who I can, like I just put it how many BAPIs in system. I will just put it how many BAPI, not in here, in that browser, and I will get result ki how many BAPIs are get created just recently. And if it is useful for as per your requirement, then you can use it. But it is not in your scope. It is not a functional consultant part. It is a like a paper activity. So you just have to provide as a MM consultant, like as a functional consultant, you just have to provide a test case. Or once he get like once he created na that program, then you have to test it. If it is okay, then you can go ahead with like for UAT. But if it is not, then you just ask to developer to भाई ये changes है, these are the fields which are not getting to fulfilled, so you just rectify it and resend it. So वो वापस उसमें काम करेगा, and then he will give you updated version. So this is the only part from BAPI and BDC side. So you have to focus on this. So any question? This is the BAPI transaction. Okay, for a BAPI, okay, see, this is one BAPI program. Is there any question on BDC?
No.
Okay, fine. So now I'm going to move on BAPI. I have already told you that कि भाई कैसे आपको execute करना है BAPI. How can you check through BAPI transaction for module wise? You can cross check it कि कितने available है कितने नहीं है. So ये functional module हमें मिलता है वहाँ से BAPI से. Okay. Once you get display now we're going to test it, like we are going to record it. Okay, this program will get open. This is a program, this is a BAPI program. Okay, now here you're going to test. Okay, this is something like ये bounce भी हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा मतलब difficult जा सकता है, but
yeah. So those people don't know these all things, Ganesh. So we need to explain from start what is BAPI and all, so they will understand.
But Akshay,
separate topic I will explain.
Okay, fine.
If this is required for FS documents, you can explain.
This is actually required for FS now. That's why I'm just showing.
Yeah.
So see, to create a once you're going to make a functional specification ना, so that time you have to ensure that कि भाई it is working or not. आप ऐसे ही नहीं डायरेक्टली कुछ भी लिख के लॉजिक लिख के एबेपर को दे सकते हो. You just have to test it कि भाई whether it is working or not, or is there any additional requirement you have to add into your existing FS. So by executing SE37 test functional module by using this BAPI, you can put it one reference number, like for an example /OMA22N. My requirement is like client give me a one requirement to close mass POs. Okay, you know now how to close PO. See, this is a open PO. Quantity is 1000, 10,000 and 7,500, and here it is only they provided 3,740. So it is a open PO. How you going to ensure whether it is open or not? So यहाँ पे ये जो टैब दिख रहा है ना डिलीवरी कंप्लीशन का, ये अगर ओके है इट मीन्स ये डिलीवरी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग GRN करेंगे ना 10,000 का रिमेनिंग क्वांटिटी का, तो सिस्टम विल गेट ऑटोमेटिकली टिक हियर डिलीवरी कंप्लीशन टैब. So my client required to close all the existing POs for one PG. Okay. All existing POs. Okay. So in mass maintenance now, in mass transaction, like every time you are not going to open single PO and put it ना कि भाई delivery completion को मैंने tick किया और मैंने close किया. So I'm going to make a BAPI. Okay. And here I'm going to just put it PO number, purchase order number, and I'm going to test it here कि भाई ये काम करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. I'm just going to put number, item number, see item number 1020. So I'm just going to put one number only, 10. Okay. And one more thing, I just want to fill this delivery completion tab. So I'm just control F and delivery. So see delivery completion tab. Okay. So see here it is delivery completion. So I have just to put control X. You don't need to click on it or just tick on it. So just come back, and PO item and PO item X. X means you are going to close it. Okay. So you just put it here again and make it X here as well. X here as well. And in delivery completion. So control X and just execute it. See रिटर्न करके ये जो है ना रिटर्न यहाँ पे आपको रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. सी एरर आ गया. what is error? User SLDMM means I am already processing purchase order 502. Why it is pop up? Because I am using in ME22. It is in ME22. So because of it, system will not reflect it, like generate it result. So I'm just putting no. Now I'm going to again see successful 55502 change interstate STO PO है ये change. So background में ये workout हो गया. So I have just going to save it. Okay, this is recording. I'm just going to save it like comment is test1 and give it to ABAPer कि भाई मैंने ऐसे ऐसे changes किए हैं. Now you going to make a program according to this requirement. Okay. Got it? This is the only part you have to check or you have to maintain.
Yeah, here Ganesh has given one PO, right? Like that we can give multiple POs.
You can no, in test case you just have to provide one PO. Not you don't have to like provide 100 PO. You cannot put 100 POs here because there is only one field, na? So you are going to make a recording, or you just have to make a test case for ABAPer. So once by using this test case, na, ABAPer will get create one program, and after that he will provide you one template. Sorry, Excel template likewise this ऐसा एक template provide करेगा. Or by using this template you can put it 1000 or 1 lakh POs numbers and their entries, and you just execute it. Okay.
And all that POs will get closed.
And all that PO will get closed. Right.
Okay, note down. This is one customization like that. You can.
This is a customization. This is not a standard thing we are doing. For standard thing, we are directly using T code. Like SAP provided T codes. Like to MM17 is a direct transaction, standard transaction. Okay. See, object type material BS bus 1000. This is a object type, and this is a standard BAPIs already maintained in background. You just have to I can't process this because like see, you can put it material n number of material here, and you just execute it. For an example, we can take an example. Okay. See, here you just have to यहाँ पे एक फील्ड आता है क्या? यहाँ पे एक पॉपअप आएगा. You just have to maintain this field, and then system will get changed that like through by using this details, system will get update. So these are the standard BAPIs has already stored by SAP. These are the things you have to maintain, but mainly these mass transaction we are using while using rollouts projects or some like maintenance kind of activities. That time only we are using this, but generally we are using only BAPI or LTMC. LTMC is also one part. It is only useful in implementation project. Like whenever you're going to implement now module wise, so that time you're going to make through LTMC. You can use through LTMC. Okay, it is provided by SAP directly in HANA system. Okay, so this is the like I have just tell you about BDC and BAPI. So if you have any doubt or question, then please tell me, so I can move on to LSMW and LTMC. This is not a like I'm not going to give you in-depth knowledge, because it takes 1.5 hours for LSMW only and LTMC also. So I will just give you what is that and why we are going to use it. I'm not going to give you an example, because it takes too much time to explain. So I will share you.
Yeah.
I will just give you overview. I will just give you
overview. You can understand, guys. And in detail, I have separate class for BAPI.
Because it takes too much time. So for separate session we required for LSMW and LTMC, because it is too much vast subject.
LTMC, no, we will explain in separate class. So now you can directly go ahead with FS documents.
Okay, fine. So is there any question on BAPI and BDC, guys?
It's fine.
Okay, fine. So I'm just going to like cover this table. Why we require this table to create a FS. Then BDC and BAPI for after making a FS, we have to create like we have to record these things. And by using this recording, ABAPR has like ABAPR can create program as per your requirement, as per this recording. Okay. So this is the these are the transactions. I will share everything with you, so don't worry about it. See, this is the LTMC. LTMC, see, LTMC and LSMW we are using for a whenever you're going to implement now in a fresh implementation, you are using LTMC. In HANA system, we are using LTMC, and in ECC system, we are using LSMW. It is a process to upload data with respect to your requirement. Like in MM01, we have so many fields. Like there are total 14 fields slash MM01. Okay, I'm just going to take one example. See, there are total 14 fields, na? Basic data 1, basic data 2, classification, sales sort. These are the 14 fields we are using. You are not going to use every field, but mainly we are using accounting, then general data, warehouse, then basic data 1, 2, and in that field now, whatever that see, if you're going to storage location. Okay, anyways, so as per that table now, sorry, just cover up just LTMC and LSMW. Just give me a second. See, you just have to create for Excel for material description, sales or distribution channel, base unit, sales unit. For every field you have to create a Excel and by using Excel, you can upload it through LSMW. But in LTMC, HANA, in HANA system, they have already provided you one sheets. Like you can check it here. See, you can check it by using this now document. You will get knowledge. Akshay, your system is HANA or what ECC?
Yeah, HANA, both I have.
Okay, you have both.
Yeah,
Okay,
in
so
that I will show in LTMC.
yeah, exactly.
Separately I will show.
Like SAP has already provided you that templates. With reference to that templates, you just have to maintain it and you just have to upload it. The only factor is to know which field or which like object you are going to select. Like there is also complication in LTMC. Because of this, only we are not using LTMC every time. We are using BAPI. But while using implementation, you just have to select correct path or correct object to update vendor master, material master, then sales related material master, these kind of data. We are using LTMC in HANA and LSMW in ECC system. You can use LSMW in HANA as well. There is no any this T code has not absolute in HANA, but mostly we are now using LTMC because it is very user friendly and there is no need to make any Excel sheets and you just have to maintain that sheets and provide just upload it. Okay.
So Ganesh, in LTMC, in the Excel sheet, we have all the field information, right?
Like the material number, language key, material description. You just have to maintain it here. You don't need to like create a template. Like these are the templates we have like generally make.
We have standard templates from S4HANA.
So you don't need to maintain
generally
this.
In LSMW, we used to create the template and upload, but LTMC
create a project and upload.
Right. So these are the useful things as been provided by SAP in HANA system. Okay. So LTMC is a vast topic, but I have just giving you an overview. So you just have to see LSMW, LTMC, BDC, and BAPI. All are used for a customization or to extend, to create, to change.
To upload data.
To upload data. Okay. So in HANA system, you can use BAPI and LTMC, and in ECC system, you can use LSMW, BDC, and BAPI. Okay. Yeah. So that is LTMC table. Okay. So tables. Then I can show you, like I can share with you T code as well. T code wise table. How you going to find out this T code wise table? I have one document. So you can. These are the tables. Okay. This is the main tables. Mara, MAKT, MVKN, MLAN. These are the main tables from material master side. Then material master, vendor master, customer master, info record wise, source list wise. These are the master data basically. See, these are the master data. Material master, vendor master, customer master. If interviewer asks you what is the master data, then you can tell that material master, vendor master, customer master, info record, source list. These are the master data we are using. Then what is the T code? So in ECC system, for a vendor master and customer master, you can tell that XD01 and XK01. But in HANA, we are using BP transaction, business partner. Okay. You can't say that I'm using HANA and I'm executing XK01. So interviewer will get know how much you are depth in SAP. So no need to tell that we are using HANA system and we are using XK01 in HANA system. So these are the T code I can share with you. You can use it for your future reference. Okay. These are the tables. Basically, mainly you just focus on, as a consultant side, you just focus on reports and table. You just have to know as per your model wise कि भाई कितने T codes अपना कितना reports और कितने tables मेरे related है. You just have to work on it. No need to go on to FI module, SD module because MM module ही इतना vast है कि आपको time नहीं मिलेगा MM SD नहीं. So just focus on your existing module. So now I'm going to move on main topic, FS document. Okay. So there are so many documents I have created for you. Just give me a second. share this folder with you. So FS. Now FS. What is FS? FS means functional specification. Means sometimes whenever you're going to create whenever you're going to implementation, smart form generally will required. Okay. You know now what is smart form? While you're going to print, Akshay,
No,
are
they
they
don't.
know? Are they know what is a smart form? Okay. Those who have working on SAP as a end user might be.
Yeah, I know.
So they get no.
I know.
I will show you. I will show you. See, I will show you. Just give me a second. This is a smart form. Basically, whenever you going into shopping center, see, this is a smart form actually. Smart form means nothing but your print screen or printout. If you are going into DMart, Shopper Stop, or in any mall, they will provide you one invoice. How they going to provide this invoice? By using only this transaction code. So बैकएंड में ना ये प्रोग्राम होता है जो कि हमें बिल्ड करना पड़ता है. With reference to this you can make it और you can make it बारकोड. ना वो अभी यहाँ पे ना QR कोड भी आने लगा है. मतलब बहुत पुराना हो गया वो, बट QR कोड भी हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे करने लगे हैं. So this is some separate topic, but see, this is a smart form. Okay, client require this. Now client give you one photocopy, like for an example, you can take this example. Client give us one example कि भाई मुझे ऐसा ये चाहिए, स्मार्ट फॉर्म चाहिए. नाउ हम लोग अभी इसके ऊपर कैसे वर्कआउट करेंगे. दिस इज आवर स्किल कि उसको ये सब चाहिए, उसको लोगो चाहिए, उसको कंपनी का एड्रेस चाहिए, उसको CIN डिटेल चाहिए. बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज नॉट शो इन स्मार्टफोन ना, देन बिजनेस विल गेट इम्पैक्ट. देन परचेस ऑर्डर नंबर चाहिए, उसके डिटेल, सप्लायर के डिटेल चाहिए, उसमें क्या दे रहा है वो सब डिटेल्स हमें चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक FS. Okay, this is a standard thing which expected from client side. Like client is usually expected these kind of things, and I will show you two types of customization. Like some customization also required from client side. That one example, and this one example I will tell you, I will explain you how we're going to make it. So for that PO I'm going to make it one FS document. How I'm going to make it, I will show you. See what I have done. I have just copied this smart form, like this copy into Excel, and I have just make it one FS. Is it visible to all of you, no?
Yes.
So see, Sintercom logo. Sintercom is an existing client, one of. So for that we have created one smart form. So Sintercom logo I have taken from the system and I have pasted here. For that I have some, I have spent some, I have some space. So after that, Sintercom India Limited. This is client name. Okay, company name. This is his address. Then this is telephone number, fax number, and for everything, see company details. And in that company, now you can get idea like why I told you that table we're going to combine this table, and why this field name and table are important. So in FS now, see what I have logic built to collect this information. Go to EKKO table. EKKO table means what? I can show you. Purchase order header table. Okay. EKKO and DUKRS. DUKRS means nothing but your company code. Means you. Okay. You. Like if I'm going to execute now. See. Now I'm going to start this FS pattern. So please focus on this. See, company code. Company code means nothing but you. 2000. Okay. So DUKRS. By passing EKKO DUKRS in EBLM, by passing EBLM into this, pass EKKO BUKRS to T001 and fetch T001 BUTXT. Now T001 is a standard table. What I have built by passing through this. See, by passing EKKO BUKRS with EBELN. EBELN means nothing but your purchasing document into T001 टेबल विथ रेफरेंस, मतलब ये दोनों को मैंने उठा के इसका रेफरेंस मैंने डाला, मतलब परचेसिंग डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर से मैंने कंपनी कोड उठाया, ओके, EBELN के ऊपर से मैंने BUKRS को लिया और उसको मैंने into pass it into T001. It is a standard table for a client. T001 company code. I'm just going to put company code 2000. See, here I'm getting company name Goldshell. Every details I can get it from here. VAT number, language, currency, country, ठीक है, GSSR number, see, Mumbai address, okay. These are the details I can get it from T001 table. But for that T001 table, how I'm going to build this logic? By passing EBELN. EBELN your purchase, sorry, purchase order number. Pass this EBELN into EKKO and fetch like with reference to BUKRS, you can fetch BUKRS detail into T001 table. Okay, got it? Guys, any doubt? Hello, please be vocal. मतलब कुछ अगर doubt है तो
can you repeat again?
Yeah. Can. See, to build this logic now, like to get this result now, how I'm going to build this logic by using PO number. Okay, by using PO number, I get fetch this BUKRS. BUKRS is nothing but your company code. Okay, see BUKRS. You can't put company code like in FS document ना, ऐसा हम लोग ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते कि PO नंबर को पास करो EKKO टेबल में और कंपनी कोड को पेज करो. एबेपर को ये नहीं समझेगा. एबेपर विल गेट नो बाय दिस टेबल एंड फील्ड नेम. ओके, आपको याद रहेगा कि मैंने आपको SE11 बताया था.
Yes.
हाँ, तो by using this SE11 he only get know a table name and field name. Okay, for an example, T001 database table display. अब यहाँ पे BUKRS है कंपनी कोड. By executing this, okay, 2000. I'm just going to put it 2000, and then he will get this knowledge. Okay, भाई ऐसा है क्या, BUTXT चाहिए क्या, तो मैं उसको कॉपी करूंगा. So developer will get copy this field detail like see BUTXT. Got it now? By passing PO number with reference to BUKRS company code into EKKO table. EKKO table is the main table, header, purchase order header table. And by using this, you just fetch this detail into T001. Okay, and fetch detail BUTXT, like means all these theoretical details like these address detail, name detail, you can fetch through BUTXT. Okay, got it? Any question or any doubt, please? अगर आपको कोई अगर issue है तो please आप please ask.
Guys, in this case, our aim is to get this material, company code, name and address, is all things, right? So our aim is to get the company code. Company code from where we'll get in company code details, right? Company code table is 3001. So we are telling our ABAP, so how you can get this data. So by running these all tables, initially we need to go to EKQ, get the material number, right? Pass that material. Once we get that material number, pass that same thing in company code and get these details. The thing is, we have entered the technical names for all these things, tables.
For FS, you have to know the technical name, field name, and table to fetch these details. Like client give me this template. By मुझे ये I need all these things into my PO. So it is up to you, and it is your skill how to fetch all this data. Like sometimes you don't get data from one table, so that time you have to build one logic. Likewise कि भाई अभी मैंने देखो company code, company details, I'm only fetching company details like company name from this table with this logic. PO number is the main thing, right? PO number is the main thing. By using PO number, you can collect client name and pass this client number into client T code like this company code table like T001 and fetch these like with reference to these BUKRS you can fetch this detail like BUTXT into here, okay, upside like header level. Likewise I guess someone has okay, fine. Then coming into address part, same thing again, I'm going to repeat it. Pass this EKQ means the company code level data into table level and pass ADRNR. ADRNR means your address field, okay? Address field. ADRNR means your address field. Let's see, you can check it here. This EKPU, no? Okay, fine. You can check it here. See. ADRNR. See, ADRNR address. For that address, see, अभी हाँ यहाँ पे और एक है logic. So you will get one number here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So pass this number into this table. Okay. It is something. See, sometimes ना ये बहुत बोर हो जाता है क्योंकि it takes too much time to build a logic. So T001 you can post it. This data ADNR and fetch all these data like I will show you again. One more table is required.
Yeah, any one if you show means rest all will be same.
Right.
Rest whatever is okay. Say PAN number we want. So anything we want, right? So how we are fetching that data to tables, right?
Right. So see, for one FS document, na this kind of requirement usually will take 2 to 3 days because it takes too much time to build a logic.
PAN number, GSM, everything logic he has written.
Because as a functional consultant ना, you can't tell that कि भाई अभी GST है तो GST मेरा काम नहीं है, FI का काम है. So you have to know or you have to like find what are the business transactions or business model tables, or is there any FI side table required to fetch into your smart form or FS. So all these things you should need to fetch by you only. You can't like ask for a SD consultant. You can take help from them, but you can't like assign this work to FI module consultant or SD module consultant. Like जहाँ पे अगर अभी पैक्स नंबर है तो सॉरी जीएसटी नंबर है तो जीएसटी मेनली इट इज नॉट कमिंग इन एमएम साइड एमएम पार्ट. So you can't say that कि भाई ये मेरा काम नहीं है, ये FI का काम है. So you have to build this logic by referring so many by using Google, by referring so many SAP notes, or by using this like mainly we are using these tables. We can find standard tables and we can fetch all these data. So these are the basically purchase order. ये जो है ना ये सब लोग मांगते हैं. Purchase order, then credit memo, debit memo. These are the required field for every customer. Like every customer is asking for these kind of changes. So that's why I'm taking this example. It takes too much time, but it will give you a good knowledge. So you can use it in your future reference. So GSTN नंबर के लिए देखो मैंने only for GSTN number, see GSTN number कितना है, इतना सही है, but for that GSTN number I am taking these like logic to use J1IG. See, I will show you here. J1IG, this is a table. Generated table view, okay, and I just pass it through. See, company code, MH business place, I can get business place. So with reference to business place, I can get the GSTN number. Okay. So see,
GST number is maintained in business place.
Exactly.
So that business place, you need to pass it to which table then?
See, you can check it here. See, even I मतलब मेरे को भी इतना ये by heart नहीं है, मैं I can show you by using this document.
It's okay.
So
Yeah.
Basically I'm using different client and I'm showing you a different client's PO number. So sometimes system will not show you correct result. But for example, I'm taking this server reference for your reference. So see, use view J1 J underscore IB T001 WV. This is a table with EKPO WER case. WER case means your plant.
Plant, yeah.
Here you can check it plant. Okay. Region Jammu.
Different logic you can write. So GST number where we have maintained that we need to understand first. So one thing is when vendor will mention vendor master, tax 3 will mention GST number, company to company depend. So there to get that information, how we are giving the table, that we need to write a logic.
See, here we can we can check this plant in this table. See, J underscore IB1 T00 IWV. Okay, so we can get plant, and the same plant we can collect it from EKPO table. Okay.
So purchase order item level. So from there we have to get the plant. Yeah.
See, from basically this is a main table EKKO and EKPO. Okay. Yeah. Here we can collect header table data. We don't get a plant, but in EKPO we can get plant. Okay. See, EKPO plant WERKS. So what I build is EKPO with means pass EKPO WERKS means plant pass into J underscore IBT00WV and EKKO BUKRS to J underscore means क्या है? See, simple is it कि अगर यहाँ पे मैंने ये प्लांट है, suppose 1000 is plant, 1100 sorry 1100 plant है यहाँ पे 1100 plant. So I have just passed this plant with reference to EKKO WRKS. See, EKKO BUKRS means company code. मतलब EKPO plant and EKKO company code का मैंने डाटा कलेक्ट करके मैंने उसको यहाँ पे पास किया in this table BUKRS sorry ये generated table view यहाँ पे मैंने पास किया, so I can get ये डिटेल मुझे मिला. Okay, now this detail I'm going to pass into and fetch and fetch J underscore BT001 WV underscore dash J underscore branch pass ये इसमें अभी ये branch means your ये to J underscore 1 B P branch and EKPO BU carries into J. Okay, this is one more paper here. This is a very critical actually. बिजनेस प्लेस. नाउ सी, यहाँ पे हमें बिजनेस प्लेस मिला. ओके. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू, मतलब मुझे ये टेबल पे क्या मिला, J_1B में प्लांट विथ रेफरेंस टू कंपनी कोड. ओके. समटाइम्स ये कंपनी कोड के लिए ये प्लांट ही असाइन नहीं रहेगा, तो फिर मेरा लॉजिक गलत हो जाएगा, राइट? बट मैंने क्रॉस चेक किया कि द कंपनी कोड इज लाइक असाइन विथ दिस 1100 प्लांट एंड विथ रेफरेंस टू MH27, and you can paste it here, post like you can MH27, you can get GST number, address 23445. This address is similar with your. अच्छा ये होता है, मैंने बंद किया था. तो अभी यहाँ से
tax 3 column is there. If GST number is maintained, it will be there.
हाँ.
So here in this case it is not maintained, I think, GST number, that's why it is not there. Go back to the table.
So basically, where exactly the GST number will be there?
Yeah, here you will see tax number is there, right? Where is that?
VAT number.
Just I will show you.
Another table. Business place table. Yeah, here tax number 1, 2, you will see there we will maintain the tax.
Yeah. No, yeah. See, this is a tax number.
This
is your GST number. So by using this GSTN field, see, by using this GSTN field, GSTN page, GSTN, this is a field.
I mean, in where exactly we can see the tax 3 level? Is it in PO or somewhere in company code level? What?
Vendor.
No, it is
vendor level. Okay.
Vendor level you can check it. Okay. So see, कैसा है, देखो बेसिकली ना यहाँ पे कैसा रहता है, हर एक चीज आपको सिंगल टेबल से नहीं मिलेगी. ओके. So for that you have to check many tables with reference to similar field.
So basically like see, so from PO we are going to fetch the GST number from the vendor. So in PO we have the vendor number, right? From vendor number can we take the information to fetch the vendor information?
No. I will just have this. Correct. You are asking correct. But I will tell you. Okay. One example. Why we are not using this logic? The reason is हम लोग जब PO क्रिएट करते हैं, ओके, तो हम लोग वेंडर तो डालते हैं, बट कौन से प्लांट के लिए कर रहे हैं, दैट वी आर नॉट पुटिंग इन हेडर टेबल ना, लाइक इन हेडर. सी,
yes.
Here we are using only purchasing organization, purchasing group and company code. Here is not we are not going to provide any plant level data. The plant is we are going to provide in item level.
Yes.
Okay. आपका ये था रीजन. आपने सजेशन दिया था कि why we are not going to use vendor number ना, but ये vendor में कौन से plant के लिए यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये PO किसके लिए निकाल रहा हूँ, for this plant, right ना. I'm going to make the like PO for this plant, not for a company code. I'm going to make for a plant, not for a company code, or not for a purchasing organization.
I got this point of one more query. Like see, just open that smart form once.
Yeah.
Here, the GST number which is mentioned in the address section. That GST number, is it belongs to vendor or because PO is sent from our side, right?
Right. See, यहाँ पे हम लोग PO में क्या करते हैं, we are providing our information as well as supplier's information, मतलब buyer's information as well as supplier's information. First of all, we are focusing on client information. We are providing our details into smart form. Then we are going to provide vendor's information. हाँ.
Yeah. Now
यहाँ पे भी है, vendor का भी detail हमें fetch करना है. तो बस हम लोग अभी कस्टमर मतलब हमारे क्लाइंट के डिटेल्स हम लोग कैसे ला सकते हैं.
So we are going to focus. So just beside to the center com, that is the client information, that is our information,
right?
There the GST number is our GST number,
right?
GST number. Then in our GST number should be maintained somewhere in the company code or on the plant level, right?
Right.
Then, but from why we need vendor for this one then?
Right, good question. See, हम लोग टेबल लेवल पे हम लोगों ने डाटा मेंटेन किया है. Is it okay ना if I'm talking to you in Hindi?
It's okay. Okay. Hindi is fine.
Okay, fine.
I mean,
So,
I don't know about others, but it's okay.
Okay. So the reason is to build logic through EKKO and EKPO is we are going to make through PO na. These details we are going to make through PO. Generally, if I want to tax number, I just going to like execute this table J underscore one branch J underscore one G branch, and I can get this tax number for a client with reference to company code, right? But we are going to build this logic with reference to PO. The main source of going to like collect information is PO number. This is a main source. Because of it, we are going to fetch through EKKO, EKPO and other tables. See, अगर PO नंबर के रेफरेंस से मुझे कलेक्ट ही नहीं मिलेगा, इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं मिलेगा कि कहाँ पे उसको सिस्टम डोंट नो ना कि कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना है। मुझे सिस्टम को देना पड़ेगा इंफॉर्मेशन कि भाई ये मैंने पीओ क्रिएट किया है, ये पीओ को आप यहाँ पे जाके चेक करो whether it is that information is correct or not. If it is correct, then go to this table and fetch all these collected data from with reference to this like what I'm going to first build is EKKO DUKRS. मतलब EKKO टेबल में DUKRS कंपनी कोड का
मैं वो समझ लिया, मगर केसी में क्या है कि जीएसटी नंबर the source is PO. For GST number, the source is PO. I want to know the destination. Where exactly I can find the destination of the GST number for the company?
Right. I can understand. I can tell you. See, अभी ये जो है ना, ये PO by PO change होगा. Okay. We are using same PO, same smart form for STO, for like scheduling agreement, for standard, for any other, and they are using different kind of like every company has no any single company code. They can use two company code, three company code. For every company code they are using different GSTI number na.
Yes.
And because of it, if I'm going to make only by एक काम करो T001 में जो और 2000 company code का GSTI number fetch करो, then it is very simple. But मुझे लॉजिक लगाना है पीओ के बेस से, ओके, विथ रेफरेंस टू पीओ. एंड यहाँ पे मैं कोई भी ये कर सकता हूँ ना, ऐड कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन यूज 1000 कंपनी कोड, 2000 कंपनी कोड. देयर आर टोटल 5 नंबर्स ऑफ कंपनी कोड्स. ओके, सी देयर आर टोटल 1000, 2000, 4000, 5000, 6000. They are using these 6000 up to 6000 company code they are using. So I can use it like if I have only one company code ना, then I don't have any issues. Like कि भाई मैं डायरेक्टली जाऊंगा और बोलूंगा कि हार्डकोड कर दो इसको. हार्डकोड मीन्स व्हाट कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन मेरा कभी भी चेंज होने वाला नहीं है. Okay. That time I'm going to like see Sintercom logo will not going to change. Sintercom logo will going to same for all PO, for all company codes. So it is going to hard code it. Like मैंने बस इसको कॉपी किया और उसको PDF कन्वर्ट करके बोला कि इसको पेस्ट कर दो. So it is very simple. But GSTN number is something difficult. PAN number is something difficult. Different. State code means there are 29 state codes we have.
Yes.
So as per state code and as per GSTN, as per PN number, system should fetch these correct details, na. So because of it, we have to build we have to build logic with reference to PO number.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Like
no.
Yeah, so that's what. So I've got the point. So for to write to logic लिखने के लिए हमको source PO है.
Right.
For GST, depending upon the company code, we are going to add the GST number.
Right.
But where exactly from where? Is it from the company code or is it from the from where we are going to fetch the GST number?
Acha, where we going to fetch the GST number?
Yes.
For GSTI number, you should have to use this table is this is the table to get GSTI number. J1 IG branch, J1 J1B branch.
Company code or
company code wise? See, you can check it here. Company code, business place. If you don't know what are my business place, then you just put it company code, and you will get there are two Daman and Diu and Maharashtra. These two company
codes,
business flows they have maintained, and by using this and for the all these see GST number इसके लिए अलग है, इसके लिए अलग है.
That's what. Yeah. So basically the to write this GST, we need to the source will be the PO and the destination. I mean, the from where we have to get is from the
business place.
Business place. No, business place. हमने क्या किया? See, if you check ना, हमने क्या किया? See, देखो यहाँ पे carefully check करो. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने EKPO से plant लिया. See, again I will show you. EKPO से EKPO means ये item table है ये. EKPO से plant लिया. Okay, I will show you here. Just see, EKPO से okay, ये है ना, ये है structure है ये. This is a structure. So no need to. But EKPO से मैंने plant लिया. Okay, WEKRS. और उसको मैंने चेक किया कंपनी कोड के साथ विथ रेफरेंस टू EBELN, ये विथ रेफरेंस टू PO. ओके, क्या किया मैंने? इसको EKPO से प्लांट लेके मैंने इसके साथ EKPO के कंपनी कोड के साथ क्रॉस चेक किया इन विच टेबल J1 J_1B T00WB. तो मुझे वहां पे क्या मिला? प्लांट कंपनी कोड एंड बिजनेस प्लेस. तो ये दोनों में सिमिलरिटी मुझे क्या मिला? कंपनी कोड और प्लांट में बिजनेस प्लेस. तो मैंने क्या किया? अभी इसको यहाँ से बिजनेस प्लेस का रेफरेंस लेके मैंने बिल्ड किया और उसको J1B ब्रांच में करके टेबल है यहाँ पे मैंने पास किया. सॉरी, यहाँ पे ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने पास किया कंपनी कोड विथ बिजनेस प्लेस. Because why I'm putting business place? Because they have state code. They have provided me state code. So we are usually using state code or maintaining state code in business place. So with reference to this state code, I'm putting this information into this table, and I'm just fetching GSTIN number. Then the system showing correct information. Okay. Similarly, see. GSTIN number. Okay. So
basically in the business place we have the GSTIN number.
Right.
So from there we have to fetch it.
Right.
So business place will be there with the combination of the company code.
Right.
Company code depends upon the from the plant.
Plant. सी कैसे है? आपका नाम भूल गया मैं, सॉरी. किशोर जी कैसा है? अभी सिस्टम को ये नहीं पता ना कि प्रॉपर वे से कैसे हमें वो सिस्टम पेज करना है. तो मुझे यहाँ पे बिजनेस प्लेस दो दिखाएगा वो स्मार्ट फॉर्म में. यहाँ पे सिस्टम विल शो मी टू GSTIN नंबर इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव करेक्ट लॉजिक ना. तो यहाँ पे मैंने अगर 27 लॉजिक से डाला तो वहाँ पे दो बिजनेस प्लेस मुझे दिखे ना, दीव दमन और महाराष्ट्र के लिए. तो फॉर बोथ देयर स्टेट चेंज हो गया ना उनका. हाँ, तो इसके लिए फिर यहाँ पे अधिक इशू नहीं होना चाहिए करके फिर हम लोगों ने विथ रेफरेंस टू बिजनेस कोड हम लोगों ने लॉजिक बिल्ड किया. अभी देखो यहाँ पे मैंने URL, टेलीफोन नंबर, फैक्स को मैंने हार्ड कोड कर दिया है. Why it is hard core means see, you just copy it see, hardcore means what? You no need to you just copy this thing and tell that developer to hardcode कि भाई इसको hardcore करो. ये URL www.sintercom.co.in. Sometimes end user not going to maintain into table level इसमें हम लोग जब कंपनी कोड क्रिएट करते हैं ना तो FI consultant will not maintain this website related data or fax number because ये हम लोग चेंज होते रहते हैं ना, कंटिन्यू कभी भी चेंज होते रहते हैं. फोन नंबर आर गेटिंग चेंज, फैक्स नंबर्स आर गेटिंग चेंज. So because of these fields are generally blank, so it is very easy to hard code it. So there is no any issue. Okay. For telephone number I have just put it plant address. Plant address में telephone number usually they have maintained. So there is no issue. So now move on to PAN number. So for PAN number is also same. EKPO BUKRS means company code to T001Z. T001Z means your table number. It is very simple logic for PAN number. So now T00Z. These are the very standard tables, huh? Basically T00.
Basically, we should know where exactly the field will be there. Is it might be the business place or company code plant somewhere?
This is a see.
Then we can fetch it.
See 001.
DUKRS, and party is equal to J1IG 10I02, like 1000. See, PAN number. Okay. With reference to party type, means party type means nothing but your detail, like who you are. That is also one field you have to maintain, because sometimes there are some different parties. Na? See, if I'm not putting company code, see, you can check it multiple. 001 may they have party NLB, ETA, NLRD. These are the different parties. Na? So it is difficult to fetch which exactly field you want. So with reference to party type, you can fetch this value. Okay. So for PAN number, we have not like built lengthy logic, but only with reference to plant, we have passed this into T001Z table, and we have provided we can fetch this PAN number.
But similarly, it's really difficult for a consultant to remember all these field names, tables.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
no need to remember.
No need to. That's the reason you no need to remember every table or every field name. You once you get practice now, like this is my 10th attempt to make a PO. So in my 10th attempt, I can build logic correctly. To be very honest with you, for my first PO, I take one week to make a simple PO logic, to build a simple logic. But this is I have done in just one day. So it is up to, see, by practicing now, you can do, or you can get master into.
Basically, we should know which field will be there in what place. So then we can make a path.
Exactly.
Where we need to get the data, that we should know. And, do
the data.
It will come by practice only. We'll send you many FS documents. So just practice and.
Yeah, I have collected so many documents for you. I've just give you.
And Ganesh will do one thing. So we'll have one more session regarding.
Okay.
Time is
it okay? Is it okay to complete this topic? I will finish it.
This you can finish.
So sorry, but I will finish this.
Okay.
Anyways, guys. So see now. Supplier name and purchase order. So I have just make supplier name, address, and purchase order is hardcode for to just show this directly into smart form. And after that, supplier name, address, date, GST, and PAN number, country, state code. See, here you can check PAN number, PIN code, mobile number, email, state code, PAN number, GST. For all these things, I have built a logic with EKKO Lifnar. Lifnar means your vendor number. Okay, and with reference to vendor number, pass this Lifnar into LFA1. LFA1 means your vendor master table. Okay, so with reference to this, sorry, LFA1, you get knowledge of, you get information about vendor details. So, sorry,
level data will get.
Vendor master data. See. अरे यार ये क्या हो गया?
LFA लिखा आपने?
हाँ sorry LFA1 ना.
General data.
हाँ supplier master data. Okay. So यहाँ पे मुझे बस वो नंबर डालना है and I will get everything. For state T005U, these are the very standard tables. GSTN number मुझे एक ही टेबल से मिल गया LFA1 से. So here मुझे I don't get any build extra logic. T005T, T005U, T005. These are the tables. I will share these details with you. So you just follow these details and you will get idea. Then for purchase order, EKKO, EBALN. Okay, purchase order मैंने header table से EKKO के EBALN means your purchase order number. Date के लिए BEDAT. See.
Basically, just give us some FS documents to practice, so at least it will be easy for us to.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Just a minute. EKPO एक एक BA date means your date. See, BDAT. See, BDAT, document date. Okay. So, we have just, these are the very simple things that we have fetched. Then reference PR number means if they are going to put with reference to purchase requisition, na, then you can build it here. But usually they are not using purchase requisition. You know, na, we are using what is a P2P standard P2P method. First, we have created purchase requisition. Then we have created who is Pawan? Achha, Pawan. Then we have created with reference to that PR, we have created PO, then GRN, then my invoice and payment. These are the standard P2P process. If anyone asks you now what is the standard P2P process, you can't say that okay, we are directly going to create a PO. The standard with reference to standard PO P2P process means PR, PO, GRN, invoice, and payment. Can you
Oman, can you please mute
can
yourself?
you please mute your mic? Okay, thank you. So these are the standard P2P process. So here we can added like supplier name address. We have built logic with reference to this vendor data master table. I can get everything like email, mobile number, phone number. For PAN number, I have just passed this LFA1 listener means vendor master number into J1IG J underscore 1 IMOVEND vendor listener. This is a table. Okay, this is a table. Here I can get PAN number detail. See vendor master existing additional data. अब ये अलग क्लाइंट करके ये नहीं आया, यहाँ पे मुझे वो डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे विद रेफरेंस टू वेंडर. They have not maintained PAN number. See, they have not maintained PAN number. Okay. So यहाँ पे पैन नंबर मिला, GSTN नंबर मुझे ये टेबल है. These are a special table, मतलब ये यूजुअली हम लोग यूज नहीं करते थे because of you can't buy. See, tax number for a business partner. Okay. These are the tax numbers for a business partner. Basically, in HANA, we are not using XK01 and XD01, VD01. We are using only BP. And with reference to partner, partner means your supplier or your customer also. So with reference to partner number, you can fetch your GSTN number, supplier GST number. Okay. So that part is also get covered. मतलब हमारा यहाँ तक का पूरा हो गया. अभी main part will get covered, like start. तो अभी इसमें क्या है, हम लोग ने सीरियल नंबर, तो सीरियल नंबर कुछ ऐसा बड़ा नहीं है, हम लोग खाली वो सीरियल नंबर डालेंगे तो एबापर विल गेट नो. उसके लिए बस खाली हमें स्पेस बोलना पड़ता है, कितना डालना पड़ेगा. तो दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, आई विल शो यू. देन पार्ट कोड एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन. पार्ट कोड मीन्स योर मटेरियल नंबर. मटेरियल नंबर का फील्ड नेम है मैटनर. अभी मैटनर का डिस्क्रिप्शन हमें कहाँ से मिलेगा, तो MAKT इज ए टेबल and in that MAKTX means nothing but your description. So you will get these description from this logic. Then HSN code. HSN code is very important. It is a very important field. So usually everyone is asking for HSN code. They have not maintained it or they have not created it, but they have posted it into their existing PO. So we have built a logic with reference to MARC. MARC is for a material master for a plant level data. Okay. So with reference to plant, we can fetch STEUC. STEUC means your HSN code. Then MENG, quantity, unit. It is very simple, like amount. Then here it is very difficult part comes. GST. अगर यहाँ पे ये कैलकुलेट नहीं हुआ तो कुछ भी बिल आ सकता है, राइट? अगर जीएसटी प्रॉपर कैलकुलेट नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पे देखो INR रेट 2200 है, 22,000 है. तो अगर यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट नहीं हुआ प्रॉपर तो फिर मतलब लग जाएंगे. तो स्पेशल नोट इसके लिए PRCD एलिमेंट करके है एक हाना में हम लोग ये यूज करते हैं. इसी में वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज PRCD एलिमेंट. ओके, तो लाइक
price difference is there something like that element?
Sorry, pardon.
PRCD means?
PRCD element is a table name. Okay, basically we are using for to collect tax related data. I will show you here PRCD element. Just PRCD see vendor master excise additional data. Okay, this is your PRCD element data. You can fetch it to check कर रहा हूँ elements है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks sir. हाँ, right, thanks. So see यहाँ पे मुझे conditions मिलेंगी. Basically in PO, see ये important part है, please यहाँ पे focus करो. Slash 21 and 23N. I will show you here in existing PO. See ये एक थोड़ा logical part है, यहाँ पे focus करना पड़ेगा. See in condition tab. We are not using condition.
So is STOP also no condition?
So actually right. Okay, document overview. Purchase order. Sorry. जैसे हम लोग आपको पता है ना ये हम लोग कैसे यूज करते हैं. अगर इफ यू वांट टू चेक योर परचेस ऑर्डर कि आपने कितना बनाया है कितना चेक किया है, बाय यूजिंग दिस setting you can use it, like you can check it. So see condition. अभी यहाँ पे condition में बेसिकली PRCD एलिमेंट्स हम लोग यूज करते हैं ये कंडीशन फिच होने के लिए प्रॉपर. सी बेस प्राइस, देन फ्रेट चार्जेस अगर कुछ है तो, और इसके ऊपर इनवॉइस में ये टैक्स कोड में कैसे जीएसटी कैलकुलेट हुआ है. सी प्राइस प्लस ईडी 7500 सब टोटल, तो यहाँ पे कोई जीएसटी नहीं है. ओके, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. अगर यहाँ पे रहता तो मतलब CGST HGST का आता था, डायरेक्टली 750 रुपीज का ये है. तो वी हैव बिल्ड ए लॉजिक फॉर CGST, HGST and IGST कंडीशन. इफ नॉट जीरो देन दो शुड बी डिस्प्लेड. मतलब जीरो कंडीशन अगर नहीं है तो वो पूरी कंडीशन सब यहाँ पे फेच होनी चाहिए. और उसके नीचे हमने दिया है कि MWSKZ pass it to A963. These are the some like ये बहुत ही मतलब we are not using these tables usually. So यहाँ पे हम लोग ये टेबल्स को ये टेबल में वो डेटा पास करके हम लोग को ये कंडीशंस मिलेंगे. It takes too much time guys. That's why I'm just skipping this part. But if you fetch this logic into your existing server now, you will get information, like you will get a result. So once this session will get complete now, I will share with you, and just do and follow these steps, you will get your result. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
practice this in server.
Exactly. So for that CGST and HGST, we have built this logic, and with reference to PRCD elements, and then mode of dispatch, delivery, transportation name.
We can take FI consultant help also. No.
But I'm not. We can take this, but see, to build this logic now, I'm just taking these table names and field names to how we're going to build this logic. And finally, these are the below. These are the fields ना, like ये जो नीचे का part है, ये हम लोग hard code करते हैं. इसमें तो वो hard code ही sign करेगा, मतलब तो like सिस्टम से भी कर सकता है या फिर डायरेक्ट नॉर्मली हम लोग जैसे करते हैं. सो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन ये हमने ब्लैंक रखा है इसके लिए क्योंकि ये हार्ड कोड हम लोग करते हैं. वी जस्ट गिव पीडीएफ कॉपी. दीज आर द कंडीशन. दिस शुड नीड टू फेच इनटू दिस पार्ट, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन पार्ट, क्योंकि हर एक पीओ में नहीं क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन रहती है, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग इसको फेच करते हैं. सो विथ रेफरेंस टू दिस यू जस्ट प्रोवाइड दिस लॉजिक टू योर एबैपर एंड यू विल गेट नॉलेज. सी, ऐसे मैंने ये पूरा लॉजिक बिल्ड किया था. सप्लायर का डाटा लिया, ठीक है, क्वांटिटी रेटिंग उसका कैसे होगा, ये सब. दीज आर द डोमेस्टिक, उसके प्रोसेस अभी कैसे कैसे रहेंगे, ये सब हमने फ्लो चार्ट बिल्ड किया था. ये मैंने इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का जो मैंने किया था ना काम, उसका मैं आपको डायरेक्टली दिखा रहा हूँ कि कौन से कितने कितने प्रोसेसेस है. सो यू विल गेट, you just follow these documents and you will get ready-made.
Yeah, Ganesh, could you please go to the FS document?
Okay.
Yeah. So you have mentioned this in part code and description. So if there is only one material means okay, you can mention this EKPO, MAT, and if there is any 10 numbers up there, so which material number it will be picked?
सी यहाँ पे ना हम लोग क्या करेंगे, EKPO में हमने क्या रेफरेंस दिया है कि EKPO में हम लोग जैसे यहाँ पे PO क्रिएट करेंगे. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट ना, वी क्रिएट दिस PO. सी फॉर एन एग्जांपल इन 2023N. See, in that PO we have 3 line items, right? 3 items. Now your question is three materials, 3 line items. So now your question is कि भाई अभी ये कैसे fetch होगा ना? So you just have to pass this document into EKPO. Okay. Three numbers it. 10, 20, 30. So serial number means your 10, 20, 30, and with reference to 10, 20, 30 you can make it, मतलब यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा, 10, 20, 30. ओके. सी यहाँ पे 3 लाइन आइटम्स है. ओके. तो यहाँ से मैंने ये लिया और बस मैंने यहाँ पे उसको दे दिया है. मतलब सी, दिस इज ए सफिशिएंट लॉजिक टू बिल्ड दिस. अगर यहाँ पे 100 रहेंगे, 200 रहेंगे, इट इज अप टू हिम. अभी स्मार्टफॉर्म का भी एक लिमिटेशन रहता है कि एक पेज पे 5 नंबर या फिर 10 लाइन आइटम्स ही कैन मैनेज. सो फॉर 200 लाइन आइटम्स इट टेक्स 10 to 15 पेजेस. सो एज पर PO, लाइक ये सी हम लोग टेबल से फेच कर रहे हैं ना इसको. वी आर फेचिंग फ्रॉम टेबल and these data we have collected from transactional data, like this is a transactional data. End user going to create it here na, and with reference to this data we can collect it from table level, and whatever data with reference to this PO number na, system will get fetched. Okay, with reference to your matner. That's the reason we have put it matner.
Okay. So the matter number, so we have to mention any like that item number wise or like
item number.
Okay, that is a MAT number. There is a material number, right? So item number. That's what I'm asking. So in MAT error, so we have to mention item number also.
Right. One more thing. Sometimes you are not using material number. Sometimes you are using cost only short text. So that time item number is useful. Okay. With reference to item number, whatever short text is here, system will get fetch in your smartphone. Like abhi, now there are some POs that in that PO like these UNBW type of PO means NLAC PO. Akshay, what we said that PO? NLAC for NLAC PO? Consumables, consumable
Yes,
PO.
yes.
For consumable PO, we are not going to put we are not going to put material numbers. We just put short text. We have we required 10,000 numbers of hand gloves, 100 numbers of safety shoes. So for safety shoes, we are not going to maintain each and every safety shoes. We are going to put for one safety shoes, we are going to put one number for second number. ऐसे नहीं करते हम लोग ना. So these are the consumable products. For consumable products, we are not going to maintain material number. So that time system will fetch as per serial number. Okay, that's the reason we have taken serial number as well. Okay, so you can build that like you can. ABAPer has also उसको भी knowledge रहता है. So item number को यहाँ पे मैंने star दिया, it doesn't mean कि वहाँ पे logic नहीं है. So he know what is the item number. Item number means what 10, 20, 30 ना. तो 10, 20, 30 का ये क्या है इसके लिए? What is a field name? So field name is item 10 EBELP. So यहाँ पे EBELP आएगा. So EKPO with EBELP आएगा.
Okay.
Just have to put it here.
Thank you.
With reference to this. So this is this happened with reference to your requirement, and it will reflect this. I have one example. I will just show you. Ultra. See. This is one of our client, Ultra. For that client, we have built one logic. Same PO logic. Okay. See. FS. No, this is something different. This take too much time. One more is PO I have. Just give me a second. वो एक बार मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा ना तो यार जल्दी से ये मैं आपको अगर चाहिए तो कल भी आपको कंटिन्यू करूंगा बट सबकॉन ऑफिस चलान सबकॉन ना subcontracting process. Subcontracting for SAP didn't provide you any standard things like ये देखो subcontracting चलान है एंड subcontracting चलन में हम लोग SAP के पास कोई स्टैंडर्ड स्मार्टफॉर्म नहीं तो we are creating one standard smartphone we have customizing smartphone. So see देखो अभी यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया चलान नंबर डेट टेबल नंबर फील्ड नेम विथ रेफरेंस टू एवरीथिंग. ये बस मैं इसको दे दूंगा ABAPer को एंड ABAPer विल मेक ए स्मार्टफॉर्म अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिक्वायरमेंट. लाइक इसका स्नैप लेके वो इसको पेस्ट करेगा मतलब क्या करेगा इसको कॉपी करेगा और स्मार्टफॉर्म का की कोड रहता है उसमें जाके पेस्ट करेगा वहां पे फील्ड रहता है. ओके टू बिल्ड ए स्मार्टफॉर्म. तो ये देखो ये बहुत इजी है और ये बहुत मतलब इंटरेस्टिंग है कि ये स्मार्टफॉर्म का रिक्वायरमेंट मेरे को कस्टमर ने दिया. ओके और उसका रिक्वायरमेंट था देखो यहाँ पे इतने सब डिटेल्स आने चाहिए. हम लोग सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग कब यूज करते हैं मालूम है ना फॉर मेकिंग फिनिश गुड by providing raw material or semi finished we can we can collect finished good from supplier. So that time with 10 numbers of like some semi finished goods we can collect one single product. Okay, so for that subcontracting single challan we have provided these smartphone. Yes someone is asking. Hello.
So in this logic, you have fetched these subcontracting materials from BOM right. Or like
not from BOM. I'm fetching this logic from PO. You might be know if you have created any PO. I will tell you. See in PO subcontracting mainly in subcontracting PO there is a one field in item details. For each subcontracting PO, you can fetch data from here.
Components,
Explode bomb, right?
and components, yeah.
So you can make a build or logic from here. कि भाई bill of material मेरा यहाँ पे मैं यहाँ पे explode करूँगा तो it will get explode ना यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. तब हम लोग जब GRN करते हैं तो पता है ना आपको सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग PO में उसके सब डिटेल्स भी आते हैं, सब कंपोनेंट्स भी आते हैं. So ये आपके लिए मैंने इसके लिए निकाल के रखा है. These are the very useful and regularly using documents. Means everyone is asking you for a subcontracting challan, PO text like PO. So this is very useful for you. So
guys, if you don't understand this challan and all, right? So your technical class, no one has covered challan. What is challan and how reconcile challan and all. You can watch my technical class. Okay, whatever videos I have sent, right? In subcontracting, if you watch, you will understand how the challan work in subcontracting.
One more thing for to understand what is a subcontracting challan. And please don't share this document with anyone of please Akshay, please take care of this.
Yeah.
Cause ये direct see देखो subcontracting challan, how we going to map this project, map this process in SAP ना. ये अभी देखो ये डॉक्यूमेंट है. आपको जिसको किसी को पता ही नहीं ना सबकॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग क्या है, डोमेस्टिक क्या है, प्रोसेस कैसे है, क्या है, इंपोर्ट प्रोसेस क्या है, कैसे रन होती है बैकएंड में. तो वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस डॉक्यूमेंट. आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस डॉक्यूमेंट की बिल ऑफ मटेरियल MRP रन से हम लोग कर सकते हैं या फिर मैन्युअली भी हम लोग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. देन हम लोग जनरेट PR करेंगे, देन PR रिलीज करेंगे. Release PR means you know na what is release strategy we have using in release, purchase requisition and in purchase order. We are using release like there are categories in organization level: executive, general manager, VP, CEO. These are the hierarchies we are following in business process. So no one has right to approve. Like executive has some validation or authorization to create only PO or PR, but he don't have authorization to approve this PR or PO. This approval has been assigned to manager or GM manager or CEO. So you have to map this process. You have to build this process in SAP. These are very useful documents for your reference future areas. You just follow this document. These are the flow charts. ओके यहाँ पे देखो एक्सप्लोड बॉम्ब लाइक जैसे अभी मैंने आपको किसी को बताया ना परचेस ऑर्डर से हमने किशोर जी आपको मैंने आपको बताया ना परचेस क्रिएट परचेस ऑर्डर इन दैट क्रिएट परचेस ऑर्डर यू एक्सप्लोड ए बॉम्ब and then explode bomb you can release PO, print and send it to supplier, create a delivery challan and issue goods to supplier. Then generate gate pass. This is also one enhancement process. Generate gate pass is not in the standard SAP process. This is a enhancement. For that we can create a body or a BAPI. Okay. Then we are doing general GRN like with reference to the delivery challan.
Ganesh, I'm sorry to disturb you. Like in delivery challan, we will use the J1IG subcon T code, right?
Right.
So from there, can we fetch the information to create this information in the all the?
Right. Absolutely right. By using J1IG subcon, you can fetch this data to collect subcontracting like challan related. But in ECC, we are using MD01. Like MD01 is obsolete in.
For the
MD01. I'm not sure.
MD04 or what?
MD04 or MD17, I guess. I don't know which T code is it. But in HANA, we are not using MD. These T codes are now absolute. Okay. So we are using J1IG subcon to create a delivery challan and to issue goods to supplier. We are using Migo via transfer posting. By using transfer posting.
Yeah. So 201 movement types, right?
Right. 201, right.
Okay.
261, 201.
Yeah, 2 series. Yeah.
2 series for issuing material. Three series for plant to plant intertransfer, right? 4 series for special stock. 5 series like these are the movement type series, guys. I'm talking about. 5 series for Specials of subcontracting, हाँ. 6 series for STO, like STO related process, and 7 series for customer related, हाँ, right. हाँ, 7 series for physical inventory, right.
Yes.
Right. Good. So these are the processes I can share with you, all of you. It will be usable for all of you. So see, every processes I
Ganesh.
Yes.
Ganesh, sorry to interrupt you. So I have a small doubt. So for MRP PR, so there is no release strategy, right? In generally, I heard that there is no release strategy for MRP PRs.
Right. No, we are using. See, it is up to business. Like it is up to client's requirement, or it is up
business
to
requirement.
scenario. हाँ, business requirement. Because sometimes ना कैसे होता है, देखो MRP रन करने वाला भी एक ही रहता है और उसको अप्रूव करने वाला भी एक ही रहता है. So why should he create the necessary extra work to him? See in
that's what. So the most probably 90% plants are not using this release strategy for MRP PRs.
Right. For MRP, one of our existing clients only we are using that release strategy for MRP PR. See, MRP PR is we are not using release strategy for MRP PR. We are using release strategy for MRP, like that PO level. Right. You are right. We are not using.
No. PO level is required.
PR level we are not.
No, even the.
Yes. What?
Even though for PO also it is. I think so. It is not required for release strategy.
No. Release strategy we are using at PO level. Most of clients are, because see, these are the data I have created. You will get everything. So these are, sir, we are using release strategy on PO level. Because with reference to quantity, first of all, quantity, you know now what is the logic for a release strategy? How we going to build release strategy? Like how we going to classification with reference to purchasing organization, purchasing group, plant wise we can create release strategy, quantity wise, like cost wise, like that PO value. If PO value is exceeded 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, then release strategy will get reflect like working in that scenario. So these are the things you should have to take care of as a consultant level. So sorry we have just diverted our topic. I'm talking about that FS document. So guys, this is something very useful document for you. You can refer this into your system, like if you have provided like actually provided the sandbox. So you just do subcontracting process and just go into the table and refer these details कि भाई ये जो बोल रहा है वो सच में वर्कआउट हो रहा है कि नहीं. लाइक जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बताया, बट हाउ यू गोइंग टू इंश्योर कि भाई ये इसने इतना देर तक हमको मतलब डिस्कस किया, बट ये जो किया वो सही किया कि गलत किया. How you going to ensure? So I would request all of you to go and just refer this document, go into table, put it these details and fetch, like check it कि ये fetch हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. आपने अपनी, but for that you have to make a process. This process you have to do. Without this process you can't fetch data. Like if you are not doing any subcontracting process and go into table and just check it, तो यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगा, तो फिर गलत इंफॉर्मेशन आएगी. So for that, to ensure that कि ये चेक करने के लिए आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, प्रोसेस करने पड़ेंगे P2P के.
some chalan process ना, reconstruction chalan and all IDA system. So we have checked. Okay, remaining thing it will work.
So this is
our system.
So this is ये एक हो गया. And one more thing, Akshay, just take I'm just going to take 15 minutes. Guys, मैंने आपको ना शुरू में आपको कहा था ना, for existing client we have created one program. One program I will show you which program I have created. BAPI. Okay, I have created one BAPI. I will show you. Where it is? I will show you. सर यहाँ पे बापी प्रोसेस. सी अभी आपने ये सब एफएस बनाया, सब किया, टेस्टिंग किया, सब होने के बाद है ना, आपको एक काम करना पड़ता है, आपको यूजर मैनुअल देना पड़ता है एंड यूजर को. यू माइट बी नो व्हाट इज ए यूजर मैनुअल.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो अभी देखो मैंने मटेरियल मास्टर टीसीएस अपडेशन प्रोसेस करके एक यूजर मैनुअल बनाया और उसमें मैंने ये टी कोड मैंने बनाया था. सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड टैक्स क्लासिफिकेशन लाइक आई हैव मेंटेन 0 फॉर एप्लीकेबल, 1 फॉर नॉट एप्लीकेबल, sorry 1 for applicable, 0 for not applicable, and I have maintained these tables template, and with reference to this table, with reference to this template, you just insert this template into this T code and execute it. You will get this result. Now I am going to show you how I am doing this. Like कैसे ये हम लोगों ने किया था. तो रिकॉर्डिंग तो मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने आपको बताया था ना, हाउ आई एम वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस रिकॉर्डिंग. तो नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस सेशन. सो सी अभी मुझे SS16N आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू लाइव एग्जांपल. ओके, अभी मुझे टैक्स क्लासिफिकेशन अपडेट करना है. इसके लिए फॉर ए सी टैक्स क्लासिफिकेशन 5
Yeah.
is equal to blank. I'm going to put it blank is equal to blank. ओके, तो मुझे मिलेंगे उतने ही जितना मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. मुझे सब नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस खाली ब्लैंक वाले चाहिए. देयर आर टोटल 13,000 एंट्रीज बट नाउ आई एम गेटिंग 11,300. तो अभी इसमें से आई एम गोइंग टू टेक 2 एग्जांपल. ओके, अभी ये मैं सबसे पहले इंश्योर करूंगा कि भाई ये क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब फिल नहीं है प्रॉपर इसमें, मतलब अपडेट नहीं है. open this I have so many documents. Process document I will share with you in future. Go to this my client. So this is a template. So I'm going to put it.
Yeah, Ganesh, sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
I have a small doubt. So,
Yes,
is there any standard? Is there any standard template, and or else we can create any standard template like
every time?
So when we are opening like Excel, no.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, you can continue.
Like when we are opening the Excel, so there are some particular standard formats are there. So like that, shall we create, or is there any standards are available in SAP?
No.
Forms for a smart.
You are asking me for a template, or you are asking me for a smart form?
Smart forms.
For a smart form, it is up to client's requirement. See, that details given by client also, only. Like whatever client is required ना, I will show you one example. बस ये मैं एक बार finish करता हूँ, then your part I will get covered. See, now I am going to make this template. Template, it is not a difficult part. You just put whatever you required, serial number, material number, and tax classification, what you want to update. So I've just put it 2 details. Okay. First off, I'm going to delete it, and I'm just going to save. अभी ये मेरा पायरेटेड वर्जन है ना, तो इसके लिए मुझे कोई और एक फील्ड अपडेट फाइल ओपन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि वो मेरा पायरेटेड वर्जन है. So we are here. देखो अभी यहाँ पे टैक्स क्लासिफिकेशन 5 फील्ड ब्लैंक है. नाउ वी गोइंग टू क्रॉस चेक इट इन ट्रांजैक्शन MM02, MM03. No need to go in MM02. ओके, यहाँ पे आके मैं चेक करूंगा कि ये अपडेट क्यों नहीं हुआ है, या फिर इसको करना है कि नहीं करना है. ओके, देखो अभी यहाँ पे ब्लैंक है, यहाँ पे ब्लैंक है ना. JTC1 कंडीशन इज ब्लैंक, राइट गाइस?
यस.
और यहाँ पे आइटम कैटेगरी ग्रुप ब्लैंक है. तो इसके लिए मुझे सबसे पहले ये आइटम कैटेगरी ग्रुप मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, इसकी वजह से ये अपडेट नहीं हुआ है. तो जस्ट गिव मी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अपडेट दिस. 10. Okay, I'm going to put it 0 instead of 1, and here I'm going to put it normal. See, these are आपको पता है ना, ये जो टिक वाली साइड रहती है, these are the mandatory fields.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, अभी देखो, अभी ये मटेरियल कैसे क्रिएट हुआ अगर ये मैंडेटरी फील्ड है तो, बिकॉज दे आर यूजिंग वन बीडीसी टू अपडेट दिस मटेरियल मास्टर टू क्रिएट व्हेनेवर दे गोइंग टू क्रिएट ना मटेरियल मास्टर, like they have one existing excel file template. With reference to this template file, they are just executing this, and material will get updated. So that time system will not going to check कि ये important है कि नहीं. Whatever you input, system will get create as per your requirement inputs. मतलब अभी अभी आपने ये डिटेल डाला, तो यहाँ पे अगर आइटम कैटेगरी आपने ब्लैंक रखा तो यू नो नीड टू, लाइक आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ये मटेरियल कंज्यूमेबल है. आपको पता है ना किसके लिए हम लोग आइटम कैटेगरी मेंटेन करते हैं और किसके लिए नहीं. तो वी आर गोइंग टू पुट इट, हम लोग बेसिकली फिनिश गुड और इसके लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कंज्यूमेबल के लिए करते हैं. और सी अभी यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे 1 अपडेट हुआ रहेगा, 0 अपडेट हुआ रहेगा. फिर गया वो मटेरियल, अरे हाँ हमने ब्लैंक रखा है ना. ओके, just a second. We are only to check for these two. देखो यहाँ पे 0 अपडेट हुआ, यहाँ पे ब्लैंक हुआ. गॉट इट? क्योंकि हमने MM02 में उसको मैन्युअली इंसर्ट किया. अभी यहाँ पे मुझे 1 इंसर्ट करना है, तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको ये मैंने आपको रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाया था, राइट? सो अभी इसको एक एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा, एग्जीक्यूट करके दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. /n zmm0_mm02_tcs. ओके, ये मेरा टी कोड है. देखो ये मेरा टी कोड है ZMM, ये मैंने Z टी कोड है, ये मैंने क्रिएट किया है SE93 थ्रू, मतलब SE93 करके टी कोड है, उसके थ्रू मैंने ये टी कोड ये किया, क्रिएट किया. अभी इसमें मुझे टेम्पलेट ऐड करना है, तो यहाँ पे मुझे
So we are going to provide these templates and everything to the end user, right?
राइट. आपको ये सब करना पड़ेगा, ये देना पड़ेगा, तभी तो वो मतलब ये कर पाएंगे ना, अपडेट कर पाएंगे ना. तो यहाँ पे ये टेम्पलेट मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ये फाइनल में जब बस अभी 10-15 मिनट का ही है सेशन. अभी देखो यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू, यहाँ पे रीड करके मैसेज आएगा. देखो 3 files convert line 3 has been created or extended. अभी देखो एरर आया, MVKE, MTPOS, BAPI, MVKE item category is defined as a required field. It does not contain an entry. क्यों ये एरर आया? Why it is coming? Can anybody tell me?
The field MVMP MTPOS BAPI item category.
अक्षय, आई थिंक बाकी के लोग हैं ना क्या, मतलब बोर हो रहे हैं?
Yeah, बाकी है.
I think item category that norm we haven't given, right?
I will tell you why it is showing an error. Because see, first of all, हमने ये execute किया, we have executed this BAPI.
Yes.
So अभी हम लोग टेबल पे आके इसको जस्ट रिफ्रेश करेंगे. ओके, चेंज हुआ.
Yes.
बट यहाँ पे अपडेट नहीं हुआ. व्हाई इट इज? बिकॉज सिस्टम में हमने चेक नहीं किया. क्या नहीं चेक किया? तो ये मैं आपको अभी दिखाता हूँ. सिस्टम व्हाइल गोइंग टू सेव ना, सिस्टम इज आस्किंग फॉर item category that I am going to manually, you might be see. Okay. कंट्रोल वाई, आपको पता है ना ये सिस्टम में कॉपी कैसे करते हैं, कंट्रोल वाई एंड देन जस्ट कंट्रोल सी, 2 टाइम्स यू जस्ट पुट कंट्रोल सी एंड यू विल गेट कॉपी हो जाएगा आपका ग्रुप फील्ड। अच्छा लॉक बाय, यहाँ पे लॉक है ना, ये हमने यहाँ से इसको लॉक किया। अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग ओपन देखो, अभी ना होने का रीजन व्हाई इट नॉट गेट अपडेटेड, बिकॉज हमने रिकॉर्डिंग में उनको कहा था कि सेल्स ऑर्ग डालो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल डालो और टीसीएस को डायरेक्टली अपडेट करो, ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ। बट सिस्टम ने क्या कहा कि भाई ये मैंडेटरी फील्ड्स है, दीज आर मैंडेटरी फील्ड व्हिच हैव नॉट filled by user. See, these are mandatory fields.
Sales or yeah, norm.
Sales or item category. See, item category अभी मैं यहाँ पे F1 करता हूँ तो आपको पता चलेगा। This is a live example है, ये बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए अभी देखने को मिला। See, MTPOS, MVKE, what system has shown you? अरे मैंने वो यूज किया ना, ठीक है यहाँ पे दिखा सकता हूँ आपको वापस। MVKE, MTPOS nothing but your item category field name. वो आपका मैंडेटरी फील्ड है, जब तक वो आप नहीं कंप्लीट करोगे तब तक आपका सिस्टम नहीं होगा। सी अभी ये लॉक आया क्योंकि मैंने इसको ओपन करके रखा है ना, तो अभी हम लोग जाके इसको अपडेट करेंगे। ओके ओके, नाउ इट गेट करेक्ट। ओके अभी देखो, अभी एरर नहीं दिखा, बैक again you can insert and execute. So हमारा just a minute,
this everything you explaining in HANA right?
हाना में भी है और कुछ मैंने आपको ईसीसी का भी दिया है इसमें। ईसीसी ये जो हाना पे ना वो हम लोग ईसीसी पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं, देयर इज नो एनी लाइक इशू।
अभी आप कॉन्फ़िगर कर रहे हो पूरा हाना पे क्या?
ये मैंने हाना पे किया है, हाना पे। सी देखो अभी आया मैसेज आपको,
ओके ग्रेट,
हैज बीन क्रिएटेड। अभी टेबल लेवल पे चेक करेंगे, एवरी टाइम जाके ट्रांजैक्शनल लेवल पे कंसल्टेंट हम लोग चेक नहीं करेंगे। देखो फील्ड 5 इज गेटिंग अपडेटेड। ओके दिस इज योर रिजल्ट। For that, I am going to build one logic. It is a very simple logic, basically. नहीं लॉजिक क्या बिल्ड किया हम लोगों ने, खाली स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड किया। ओके वी आर जस्ट डूइंग स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग एंड जस्ट गिवन टू एबेपर एंड एबेपर विल मेक ए like program as per your requirement and it get done, it finish। अभी एक रिक्वायरमेंट था, अभी एग्जिस्टिंग टीसीएस का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में हमारा एक रिक्वायरमेंट था। You know now what is a purchase register, sales register. Every company is using this standard like customizing report. अभी उनको उसमें टीसीएस का अमाउंट चाहिए, टीसीएस डिटेल चाहिए, तो ये हम लोगों ने लॉजिक उसके लिए बिल्ड किया था। उनका ये एग्जिस्टिंग, ये देखो ये उनका टी कोड है। ऐसे भी ये बहुत मतलब ये ऐसा भी लॉजिक रहता है। अभी ये परचेस है, देखो परचेस रजिस्टर, अभी इसमें उनको टीसीएस अमाउंट आना चाहिए। उनका व्हाट दे रिक्वायर्ड कि भाई इसमें हमें परचेस रजिस्टर में टीसीएस का अमाउंट आना चाहिए। तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, टेस्ट केसेस क्रिएट किए। मैंने ये टेस्ट केस क्रिएट किए, इसमें देखो टीसीएस रिसीवेबल, पेएबल एंड रिसीवेबल। पेएबल मींस हमको पे करना है, रिसीवेबल मींस हम लोग रिसीव करने वाले हैं, राइट ना। सप्लायर से हम लोग ने रिसीव किया और कस्टमर को हमने पे किया। टीसीएस अभी रिसेंटली एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने ये किया है, फ्रॉम अप्रैल 2020 से उन्होंने चेंजेस किए कुछ। थ्रेशोल्ड लिमिट 50 लाख ऑनवर्ड्स अगर आपका बिजनेस होता है तो आपको दोज हु हैव मेंटेन देयर पैन नंबर्स इन एसएपी सिस्टम, फॉर दोज टीसीएस विल गेट 0.75% and those who have not maintained their PAN number in their system, for those system will TCS will get 1%। तो अभी हम लोग इस हिसाब से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करना है, फिर आपको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करके टेस्ट केस करना है, देन स्मार्टफॉर्म रिलेटेड चेंजेस करना है, रिपोर्ट्स रिलेटेड चेंजेस करना है। ये सब हमने अभी किया काम इसमें। तो दिस इज स्मॉल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्रोजेक्ट फॉर 3 month प्रोजेक्ट। ओके तो इसमें से ये एक परचेस रजिस्टर करके एक रिपोर्ट रहता है फ्रॉम परचेसिंग साइड। तो यहाँ पे हमने विद रेफरेंस टू बेलनर, अभी मैंने क्या किया, पास मायरो डॉक्यूमेंट। मायरो मींस आप यू नो ना व्हाट इज ए मायरो। you can create a, like whenever you're going to create a PO, you have to post invoice. So invoice with reference to Belnar, or a Miro document, field name is Belnar with reference to company code and fiscal year. Every year you will get same number, invoice number. So for that only you have to provide fiscal year. Fiscal year means GJHAR field name, and pass this into BSEC. So you will get like with reference to 11088301 GL account. Whatever amount is showing with reference to this GL, you have to fetch it into purchase register. So I will show you.
So that is all going into the BSEC, right?
Right, BSEC table. BSEC table is mainly using from FI side. We are using RSEC table. RSEC table, RBKP, BKPF and BSEC table is using from FI side.
Okay.
Just a minute.
So from the BSEC table, it's going to be like, into this information. All the information going to the BSEC table.
Right.
What are we going to fetch? Okay.
So ऐसे ये सब ऐसा रहता है as a consultant. TCS है ना यहाँ पे TCS हम लोग we can show you. See देखो TCS applicable है अप्रैल 2020 से. Okay. इधर गया TDS था ना. Alright. So yeah. See देखो TCS अभी 2019 में तो TCS एप्लीकेबल नहीं था, तो हम लोगों ने उसको किया एप्लीकेबल. ये सब 2019 के डॉक्यूमेंट्स है. इसके लिए फिजिकल ईयर 2019 के. तो यहाँ पे TCS का ब्लैंक आएगा. जहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल है तो वहाँ पे ही आएगा.
Mainly this FS documents will be like in the implementation phase, right?
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेज में भी है और कस्टमर के कभी कभी रिक्वायरमेंट्स भी आते हैं. लाइक आई विल गिव यू. सी कैसे रहता है, कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट है. यूटीएस करके एक मेरा क्लाइंट है. सो ही इज आस्किंग मी फॉर टू चेंज एग्जिस्टिंग ये स्मार्टफोन. सो फॉर दैट smartphone we have created one tab, like small it is, सी ये उनका स्मार्टफोन है. ओके. इसमें इनको ये चेंजेस करके चाहिए थे. ओके. तो व्हाट दे चेंजेस दे रिक्वायर्ड इज नॉट. यहाँ पे ऐड नहीं किया रिजल्ट. उनको क्या चाहिए था, ये जो कॉलम है ना अननेसेसरीली कॉलम सेम थे. ये उनका स्मार्टफोन का एक उन्होंने ये दिया था एग्जिस्टिंग स्मार्टफोन. उसका नाम था ZPP जॉब कार्ड. ओके. प्रोडक्शन साइड से था ZPP जॉब कार्ड. तो उसमें उनको ना ये उनके ISO ऑडिटर ने कहा कि व्हाई यू आर मेंटेनिंग दिस फील्ड इफ यू आर नॉट लाइक, आप अगर मेंटेन नहीं करो तो व्हाई यू आर लाइक मेंटेनिंग इन दिस स्मार्टफोन, यू जस्ट रिमूव दिस डिटेल्स. तो उन्होंने कहा था कि ये डिलीट कर दो और इसके बदले हमें कुछ और ऐड कर दे दो. तो उन्होंने दिया था मेरे को डिटेल्स. तो वी हैव जस्ट रिमूव दिस थिंग्स एंड अपडेटेड न्यू वर्जन and provided to customer. Like these are the requirements are coming from customer side. Customization or development. These kind of work called development. Okay. Z development. So see, ये अभी मेरा अभी existing client के लिए हम लोग जो काम करते हैं, तो I have to maintain these kind of details day by day. ये इंटरेस्टिंग था आपके लिए. अभी देखो रिटर्न क्रेडिट मेमो के लिए उन्होंने कुछ स्मार्टफोन ही नहीं किया था. तो उन्होंने मेरे को एक स्मार्टफोन दिया और कहा कि सेम एज इट इज मेरे को बना के दो. तो मैंने ये अपना एबेपर को ये पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट ऐसा बना के दिया कि भाई मुझे ये डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए जो कि मैंने आपको दिखा था ना अभी थोड़ा देर पहले वैसे. सो देखो ऐसे रहता है. ये ऐसे लॉजिक बिल्ड करना पड़ता है. सो और ये टेस्ट केस है. आपको ये टेस्ट केस करके उसको देना पड़ेगा, तभी वो चेक करेगा कि उसने जो काम किया है वो सही किया है कि गलत किया है. ओके. सो
हम लोग ही लिखना पड़ता है क्या? और
हाँ नहीं, टेस्ट केस मींस व्हाट कि जैसे लाइक अभी हम लोग एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसेस करते हैं. मैंने एक PO क्रिएट किया और उसका इनवॉइस किया. दिस इज माय टेस्ट केस. तो मैं जाके चेक करूंगा इसको।
Okay.
तो वो आपको प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है। So these are the things which you have to like take care of this thing. This thing. Anything query or I'm taking too much time, guys? कोई बोर तो नहीं हुआ ना?
No, it's worthy because at least we came to know how exactly it will look in real time. So.
So Akshay, I'm just handing over to you. Guys, do you have any queries? Because I don't see anyone is.
Ganesh, you require one more class to explain FS document. Or...
Okay, fine. See, I have created. See, like जैसे मैंने ना अभी आपके लिए 2-3 डॉक्यूमेंट जैसे मल्टीपल डॉक्यूमेंट्स आई हैव क्रिएटेड. आई विल शो यू. बट मैंने बस एक ही डॉक्यूमेंट अभी क्रिएट किया. अभी देखो कैसा है एफएस के लिए मैंने आपको सबकॉन का मैंने दिखाया आपको. देन अभी मोस्टली एक रिक्वायरमेंट आता है शॉर्ट पीओ क्लोजिंग, पीआर एंड पीओ क्लोजिंग. तो उसके लिए कैसे करना पड़ता है वो एक मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. और
so then we'll have one more class here, no?
Okay. Fine. Don't worry. Yes. I will give you session. And I will not going to make it lengthy. So don't worry. मुझे लगता है मैंने बहुत लोगों को बोर किया आज.
Yeah, they are not expecting today, right? This much big.
Okay. So guys, please, मतलब कुछ तो feedback दो. At least it is helpful.